Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, my dear boys and girls. Welcome back to yet another cracking session. Today we are going to have a discussion on vectors. Yes, one of the very easiest chapter as far as mains and advanced concerns. In mathematics, in general, we never say so and so chapter is very easy. But when it comes to vectors, we always say one of the very easiest chapter. In fact, a very easy chapter. Right? So now in today's class, as we have been doing in the past few lectures, in the same way we are going to have more and more questions. At the same time, we will give a slight touch up to the concept. Will not be getting into the concepts very deep, but we'll be focusing more on question solving part. Are you guys ready? So yes, let's get into the show then. So let me start with the types of vectors. Yes, I am not going to teach you from the level like 2 plus 3 sir, and the level I am not going to teach now. Yes, we are just right before the exam. The JEE is going to come very soon. So keeping that fact in mind, we are going to focus more on question solving part but less on the concepts. So yes, but still those who are in the media of the definitions, I just added a few definitions over here. Sir, just read all these lines, sir, if you are in the need of the definitions. Sir, zero vector means what, sir? Zero vector means what, sir? Sir, what is the vector, sir? Without starting the definition of vector, you straight away gone to types of vectors, sir. Ipdi, sir. Babu, look at the board. See, vector is nothing but what? Any quantity which has magnitude and direction both, right? So everybody knows that. I'm sure you might have studied many times in physics, and many of you might have bored of listening the same thing again and again. So I just don't want to get into the basic definitions and all. But yes, those who do not know basic definition, please read all the points I have given in the slides. Are you all ready? Yes, sir. Chalo. Sir, so now tell me, what is zero vector basically? Zero vector is zero magnitude. Are you getting the point? So magnitude should be 0. So there is a zero vector here. So in fact we represent like this. You just read the remaining lines. Chalo. Now what is unit vector, sir? So simply magnitude is 1, sir. Sir, how do you find out unit vector? This is how I find out. Purida, yes sir. Now tell me, sir, unit vector we denote like this, sir. Vector upon magnitude, sir. So this is what the formula to find out unit vector. Okay? Yes sir. Now equal vectors. Equal means what, sir? 2 or more vectors are said to be equal if their corresponding components are equal. Purida, and they will be having same magnitude, sir, as well as direction, sir. So you can just go with the initial and terminal points and all. So yeah, that is a simple point. Now parallel vectors. So these are anti-parallel. I mean not parallel. These two are parallel. These two are parallel, having same direction. These two are parallel but having different directions. So just have this. So basic point. Now collinear vectors. One of the very important concept. One of the very important concept. What they have given here. 2 or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Yes, sir, meaning parallel to the same line is nothing but, so these are the vectors depo. So there is another line. Let me say one red color line in the line corresponding to, with respect to this line, all these vectors are parallel or not, tell me. So you just don't mind about the directions, magnitudes and all, you should not keep that in mind. So with respect to this line, these all are parallel. Are you getting the point? Yes sir. So that is what collinear vector is all about, right? So irrespective of their magnitude and direction, see. So if any vector parallel to the same line, see, collinear vectors nothing but they are parallel to the same line. Are you getting the point? With respect to this line, they are parallel. So irrespective of their magnitude and direction, very simple. Now see, after this negative vector we have, negative vector means what is said to be negative if of another vector if they have a same magnitude but opposite direction. Simple, Babu? Yes sir. Now sir, this is what enough, sir. This is what enough as far as definition concerns, sir. Now we'll straight away get into the questions. Are you all ready? Yes sir. Look at this question. Look at the question. Let A, B and C be 3 non-zero vectors such that B and C are non-collinear. If A plus 5B is collinear with C, okay, B plus 6C is collinear with this, and this is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta is equal to what, Babu? Tell me, how do we go with this? How do we go with this? Simple point. Simple point. See, collinearity condition is what? So collinearity condition is what? So let me just give you the concept before get into the question. Giving the concept means what, sir? Will you be teaching right from the basics? No. Look at what I am saying now. Basics is nothing but I will explain you detailedly in fact, but adukku munnadi enna sir pananu such that B and C are non-collinear. If A plus B is collinear to C, eppadi sir edanu? A plus 5B is collinear with C. So can you write like this? Given A plus 5B is collinear with C. So now can I write that as lambda times of C vector? Absolutely. If a vector is collinear with another vector, which means I can write A is equal to lambda times of B vector. In the same fashion, I can write then the vector is a parallel to in the vector. Appo in the vector is equal to lambda times of C vector. Yes sir. Now next part. Now this is collinear with this. Now which one? B plus 6C is collinear with A. So openness of B plus 6C is collinear with what? A. Appo we need to use another arbitrary. See, now I use lambda here. Now let me say mu times of A vector. Purida? Yes or no? Absolutely. Yes or no? Yes sir. Sir, I have one doubt. Ipdi sir. Now enna sir paranu? What they have given here? They have given A plus alpha times of B plus beta times of C is equal to 0 vector, sir. Sir, let me take this as first equation, sir. Let me take this as second equation, sir. Sir, yeah. So from the first equation, what can I write? Tell me. From the first equation, what can I write? A vector. From the first equation, A vector is equal to lambda C minus 5B vector. Wonderful, sir. Now from the second equation, enna sir parano? From enna sir parano? A vector, how do I write, sir? Tell me, sir. B vector by mu, sir, plus 6 by mu into C vector, sir. Ippudu ellama? Yes or no, sir? Yes or no, sir? Absolutely yes, sir. Now tell me here, these two fellows are equal or not, sir? In the rendume equal ana? Yes or no? In the rendume equal da padi A. Appo idi equal to idi. Pannalama? Yes, sir. Now just equate. Idi equate panna enna sir varum? So tell me now. So here C is equal to what? C is equal to what? So comparing this, I mean equating these two, this is equal to this. So lambda C minus 5B is equal to B vector by mu plus 6 by mu C vector. Yes or no, sir? Now C your coefficient is, sir, lambda, sir. That is equal to what, sir? 6 by mu, sir. Wonderful. So now tell me here, sir, B your coefficient is, sir, minus 5 and here is, sir, 1 by mu, sir. Now tell me, sir, what is mu is going to be, sir? What is mu is going to be? Minus 1 by 5, sir. Wonderful. Now tell me, if mu you got, now mu is tooki podama. In the mu inga tooki pota enna sir varum? So B is equal to minus 6 by 1 by 5, sir. Appo mu value enna, sir? Not mu value, sorry, lambda value, which is minus 30. Do you agree with my point, pasangla? Yes, sir. Now next question polama. Mu vandirchi, lambda vandirchi. Enna sir pananu? Mu value vandirchi, lambda value vandirchi. Appo A value, I mean A vector, B vector find out panlama? Yes or no, sir? A vector and B vector find out paniklama? Absolutely, sir. Now I will do one thing. I will substitute where lambda value inga vandirchi, sir. Lambda value you got it. Check. If I substitute lambda value here in the first equation, what I am going to get, sir? So let me write here. Lambda value minus 30, right? So from the first equation, A vector as it is, sir, plus 5B vector minus 30C. So left side, if I am shifting that, sir. So now, sir, A, B, C. So if I compare this fellow with this vector, so A vector plus alpha B vector plus beta C vector is equal to 0. Compare panna enna sir varum? Alpha 5, sir. Beta enna, sir? 30. Alpha plus beta is equal to 35. A for Agra. How's the question? Very simple. Very simple concept. Two simple concepts I have introduced here. Right? So what is that? Collinearity concept. When a vector is collinear with another vector, so I can write that, for example, A is collinear with theta. B, right? So A is equal to lambda times of B. Same concept I have used here. I equated both A's. I got this 3p la 2 ki pota. This 1 dirchi sir. This equating with this sir. Alpha beta 1 dirchi sir. Alpha plus beta is equal to 30. Right? Shall we go forward? Shall we go forward? Okay, sir. Next. See, so we got 35. So everybody, now sir, one of the very important concepts, parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Sir, you just go with this. So what is parallelogram law? What is parallelogram law? So the diagonal will be what, sir? A plus B. So A vector plus B vector. This is what the displacement here, right? So A vector plus B vector is what? A plus B. So that is what they have given here. If the angle between A and B is acute, then A plus B is what, sir? Longer diagonal. If angle between A and B is obtuse, then A minus B is going to be what, sir? The longer diagonal. Very simple and chotu points. Purida? Yes, sir. Now next question, Pola. See, these are the basic concepts which everybody might have studied. If not, this is a slide for you, right? So, chalo. Now polygon law of addition of vectors. Sir, what do you mean by this, sir? So I am taking this pentagon, sir. I am taking this pentagon. See, basically I am starting from here. See, E vector. If I start, this is starting point. A vector. Took. I just reached over here. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to E vector. Purida. So that is what the basically polygon law of addition of vectors. So these are very simple. You just read this line, you only will understand. So very simple, guys. Okay. So see, what is this resultant of the remaining vectors? A plus B plus C plus D is going to be what? This C. So ultimately starting from here all the way I am going and stopping here, and this guy also stopping from here to here, right? Moving from here and stopping here. Apo E is equal to sum of all these vectors. Purida. Very simple, very simple, right? Now we'll do one thing, sir. Now let us see one question, sir. Let A, B, C, D be a quadrilateral. E and F are the midpoints of the diagonals AC, BD, wow, respectively, and this plus this is equal to this, then KNR. Sir, they have given the diagram here itself, see. So what am I going to do now? AB minus BC, sir. AB minus BC. Now, AB minus BC, let me use a different color. So, now tell me, AB minus BC means what? What is AB minus BC? So position vector of B minus position vector of, so B minus A, right? So AB and so B minus A. Are you getting the point? So AB is what basically B minus A, Purida. Are babu, AB and B minus A. What is position vector, sir? Position vector is not vector joining from the origin. Are you getting the point? So see, AB. So AB is what basically B minus A. Then let me write directly B minus A. Purida point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Minus BC. BC means what, sir? BC. So C minus B. Wonderful. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Plus AD. AD means what, sir? AD. So D minus A, sir. Wow. Now minus DC. DC means what, sir? DC. C minus D. This is equal to K times of FE, sir. Wow. Yes or no? K times of FE. Now tell me, sir, what am I going to do? I am going to simplify this, sir. Simply tak simplify pananu. Or B plus D minus A minus C plus D is equal to K times of FE. Sir, yeah. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, if I just look at this properly, see 2 times of B and 2 times of D one this, 2 times of B plus D. Correct? Are you all getting the point? Yes or no? Minus 2 times of A plus C is equal to what? Is equal to what? K times of F. F is what here? FE means what? E vector minus F vector. Check. FE means what, babu? Position of E vector minus F vector. So E minus F. So that is how I can write this. Very simple. Now, sir, you tell me, sir. Here B plus D I have B plus C, right? Here B plus D is what? B plus D, total F. Correct or not? So B plus D is what basically B plus F is what, babu? F plus F, 2F lama. Wonderful. Yes or no? So minus 2 into 2 times of E plus E, 2E is equal to K times of E minus F vector. Right or not? Right or not? You tell me guys. So tell me here 2 to 4, 2 to 4. 4 common edukkalama. F minus E dana. F vector minus E vector. So is equal to K times of E minus F. So tell me now, cancel panna minus 4 vandru. Minus 4. C for Chintu. Are you all ready? Tell me. How did we do this sir? E minus F irukku sir. F minus E irukku sir. Rendu side cancel panna. Oru side minus vandrum sir. Check. F minus E. E minus F. Cancel panna minus 4 the leftover answer. Yes or no? Yes sir. Next question polama. Next question ki polama. Next question ki polama. Yes sir. Chalo. Yes. Yes. You see, C for Chintu is the answer. Now, so after this, let me go with one simple point. Sectional formula. You can call it as section formula, right? So as we studied in the straight line, do you all remember? What did we study in straight line? Internal angle bisector. I mean internal division and external division. Not angle bisector, sorry. Internal division and external division. What was the formula for internal division? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. my2 plus n1 by m plus n. Now external division can sir mx2 minus nx1. External minus internal plus now look at this same story I'm going to apply here. A, B, so position of is what? See, this is position vector basically. This is a position vector of A. This is a position vector of B. This is a position vector of C. So here basically if I take a line segment joining AB, vector A and vector B, if I take like that, so now tell me what is C vector is going to be here. C vector means what basically is simple m into this, n into this divided by m plus n. For internal division. Internal division means what basically C நடுவுல இருக்கு பாரு. C நடுவுல இருக்கு. அப்போ C ஓட வெக்டர் C வெக்டார் வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும்? இது into இது plus opposite இது into இது அப்ப இது into இது. So divided by m plus internal division க்கு division divided by m plus n. External division க்கு என்ன சார்? அப்போ C point உள்ள வந்துச்சு. Internal section. Internal division க்கு C வந்து உள்ள internally dividing. Externally வெளிய. அப்ப வெளிய வந்துருச்சுனா சார் நடுவுல மைனஸ் வரும். Same formula but நடுவுல மைனஸ். Very simple. So let us not get into more and more. Babu, we have learnt all this. If not, please do revise all these formulas before you watch this lecture. Right? Chalo sir. Next. So yes, and see, I won't say like even you don't revise. If I just give you slight touch up to the concept here, you can still will be able to solve it. So don't worry about it. So we'll cover up everything. So see, information about triangle and all you just have gone through this. What is centroid you should know. What is orthocenter is all about. What is incenter is all about. I have given the definitions here. You go with this. And then what are the formulas of centroid, incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter. You have done all this in your straight line part. So let us not waste more time over here. Sir, now I'll tell you, we'll go with one question, you won't even understand. So, what am I talking about? Sir, idhukku munadi, let me give you one simple concept. Sir. Simple concept, instead of adding one slide, here sir. The centroid G divides the line segment joining the orthocenter, circumcenter such that HG is to GO is equal to 2 is to 1. What does it mean, sir? What does it mean? Look at this. This H, sir. This H, sir. This is H. This H. This G, sir. This G, sir. And this is sir O, sir. So this will be this G divide this H O in what ratio? 2:1 ratio. You might have studied in your straight lines. Sir, how do we remember this? Guys, you can just come in ulta. Reverse also we can come. O, G, H also we can come. So 1:2 Apo 1:2. Sir, we always remember like honorable governor. How do you remember? In easiest way, honorable governor. So that will be what? 2:1. So governor divides honorable and this O. In what direction? What ratio? 2:1. So you remember this order, HGO, honorable governor will be 2:1. Purida. You can remember like that simply, right? So I can just find out G now very easily if I have this. So yes, now one more thing. We'll go with the question. So look, sir, you will missed one point. Sir, internal, see, this is not that much required to you, but as far as vectors concerned, so yeah. Now we'll go with this. See, the position vectors of the vertices A, B and C of a triangle are this, this and this respectively. Let I denotes the length of the angle bisector AD of angle BAC. Okay, so where D is the line segment of BC, then 2L square is equal to dash. Wow. Position vector of the vertices ABC given, Babu. So position vector check. They have given the position vectors and this is L, and we need to find out what basically in the length kandupidikkanu 2 into L square enna. 2 into L square enna. Sir, firstly I will understand one point. Firstly, what is AB, sir? What is AB, sir? A k B how much? AB how much? AB how much? Let me find out AB. What is AB here? What is AB, sir? AB means what, sir? 3 minus 3 minus 3 whole square. So which is 0 square? Check. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 2 whole square. Yes or no? Are you all getting the point? Yes or no? So and then what? 2 minus 2. Is that clear? So let me write like that. 3 minus 3 whole square plus and then 2 plus 3, 5 whole square plus, let me write detailedly. So 2 plus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. Now tell me, sir, what am I going to get directly? It is 0, sir, it is 0, sir. Upon directly, sir, I don't. 5 is na. So in this length is what? Now tell me, what is this? 5. Any doubt? Any doubt? Ha. So similarly, what is BC? I mean, what is AC is going to be? What is AC is going to be? Ha. What is AC is going to be? Tell me. What is AC? So 3 means 0, taka 0 and 4 and then 3. So what is that going to be? That is also going to be AC is also going to be 5. Check. AC in the same way you find out this is also going to be 5. Sir, now BC find out another. First what is D here? D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So midpoint means what, sir? 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 and 2 plus 3, 3 by 2, 2 plus 1 3, so 3 plus 6 by 2 is 3. Any doubt? Tell me. Half, 3 by 2 and 3. Now what is AD, sir? Upon D point there is a AD in the distance between A and D. So కొంచెం careful అవ్వండి calculation. So ఇది minus ఇది 2 minus half whole square, 3 by 2 whole square, correct or not? 3 by 2 whole square, which is 9 by 4 plus next ఇది minus ఇది, so minus 3 by 2, so minus 3 and minus 1.5, so minus 4.5. So tell me now how much you are going to get? 81 by 4, yes or no? Yes, sir. Next 3 minus 3, 0 square. Any doubt? Are you all getting the point or not? So how much, sir, here? So 90 by 4, 90 by 4 means root 45 by 2, root 45 by 2, root 45 by 2, wonderful. So AD is root 45 by 2, so AD is what basically L, they are asking for 2L square, so 2 into 45 by 2, sir. So 2 2's cancel, 45 is the answer. Any doubts? 45 is an answer, 45, A for Agra, check. How simple it is. See, this kind of question they are asking, this is being asked in 2024. So, sir, we are solving very easy questions. Babu, no, we are going to increase the level of the question, don't worry. But I told you, right, as I told, vector itself very easy chapter. Vector itself very easy chapter. So, you can find out, this kind of innocent questions as well. So, it's all about doing it with presence of mind, with a lot of accuracy. Right? Okay, sir. Now, Munadi Polama? Yes, sir. Look at this. Yes. So all this, like in radius circumradius concept I have given over here. So you can just go with this as well. So when it's kind of required for coordinate geometry, but we don't use much over here for in radius and circum. In few questions, we have been using that, but especially in coordinate geometry, in radius and circumradius and that is going to be very important. But now we are in vectors, so we'll focus more on vectors, right? Sir, then why did you give that? Sir, why did you give that? In one or two questions, you might use that in radius and circumradius as well. So as we are talking about triangles, lines, are you getting the point? Straight line related concepts. So I just wanted to add that. So yes, all together I put up over there. If you have a doubt in that, you can just read that, no problem. So very simple. Now let us have a look at this question. Let the position vectors of 3 vertices of a triangle this if the position vectors of the orthocenter and the circumcenter of the triangle are this and this respectively. See guys, orthocenter one idila and circumcenter one idila. Yes or no? See, tell me how do we do this? See, let me denote this with what basically. Let me write this with H. Let me write this what? Let me write this as H. Let me denote with O. Right? So what is this basically? H. Let me denote with O. Okay. So let me denote this with O. Honorable Governor. Right? Honorable Governor. Sir, now tell me, sir, what is H given, sir? What is H given to us? H is basically orthocenter and O is what basically circumcenter. O is what basically circumcenter. Now, so what is centroid here? We'll see that. So what is H here? H is basically P vector plus Q vector plus R vector divided by 4, sir. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now what is O? Circumcenter. What is circumcenter? Alpha P plus beta Q plus gamma R vector. You get it? Yes, sir. Now what is centroid is going to be? Tell me. What is centroid is going to be? See, the position vectors of the triangle. These are the PQ we are talking about. What is the centroid is going to be now? Tell me. What is centroid is going to be? We know that G is what? P vector plus Q vector. We can write centroid like this. R vector divided by 3. Very simple. Centroid formula na. P vector plus Q vector plus R vector by 3. So now tell me here, who is dividing? Who is dividing HO in 2:1 ratio? Centroid. Centroid one day in the line segment 2:1 ratio it is dividing. Purida. Centroid dividing the HO in 2:1 ratio. Apo centroid is equal to what, sir? Centroid is equal to what? This one. So let me write like this. Let me write like this. Oh, 1 second. Chintu not responding. Why? Arre. रुको जरा सबर करो. PQR divided by 4 divided by 3, sorry. Now is equal to, this is equal to what? 2 times of this and 1 times of this. Sectional formula purida. 2 times of this. What is this, Babu? 2 times of idna. What is this? O. What is O? Alpha P plus beta Q plus gamma R. So idna, sir? R vector, sir. Okay. So what is H here? What is H here? P plus Q plus R vector by 4. Yes or no? So H is given and O is also given. Now sectional formula apply paniklama. This into this plus this into this divided by what, sir? M plus N. So let me write neatly. Let me write neatly over here. So what is that? So P plus Q plus divided by 3 is equal to 2 times of alpha P plus beta Q plus gamma R, right, plus 1 time of this, 1 time of P plus Q plus R divided by 4, right? Any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts, sir. Now how do we do this? How do we do this? Divided by 3, don't forget, divided by 3, M plus 3. So 3, ushkak. Now tell me, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? Sir, just simplify parano, sir. This simplify parana enna savarum. Look at the board carefully. Look at the board carefully. Yes, sir. Now look at the board. P vector plus Q vector plus R vector is equal to 4 2's 8. Alpha P vector beta Q vector plus gamma R vector. Okay. Yes or no? Plus R vector. The LCM if I take, now can I take? So 4 will be coming over here. 4 will be coming over here. 4 times of this. Correct or not? So 4 times of this. So let me draw one line like this. Now tell me, I took LCM. 4 into this. 4 2's 8 and this one as it is. Purida. Now we just have to compare and find out alpha, beta, gamma. Answer mudinchi. Any doubts? Purida. Are you getting the point? Just compare those, just equate these two. Just equate these two vectors. So I am going to get alpha, beta, gamma. So equate paniklama. Yes, sir. Sir, 4p. So let me write with the same color. Yeah. So alpha p. So what is here? 4 is equal to, check. So if I take, otherwise I'll write one extra step, no problem. 4p plus 4q plus 4r is equal to what, Babu? Tell me. 8. So p common means what? 8 alpha plus 1. So p vector. Correct or not? So now tell me here. 8 beta plus 1 into q vector plus 8 gamma plus 1 is into r vector. Check. Now r coefficient 4, q coefficient 4, p coefficient 4. You just have to equate all this. Sir, yeah. Sir, what is what is alpha is going to be now, sir? What is alpha is going to be? Tell me. So tell me, this is equal to 4, this is equal to 4, this is equal to 4. Alpha is what? Let me write in the next slide. No problem. So what is this? 8 alpha plus 1 is equal to 4, right? So 8 alpha plus 1 is equal to, so 8 alpha plus 1 is equal to 4. So alpha is going to be what, sir? 3 by 8. Same thing we had. Q coefficient also same. So similarly beta is also going to be same and gamma is also going to be same. Do you agree? Eppadi sir same? Check. Alpha p coefficient, q coefficient, r coefficient. All of them are same. Check. Alpha plus 1, beta plus 1, gamma plus 1. They are same. P coefficient, q coefficient, r coefficients are same here. So each one equating with 4. Appo enna savarum? Ipdi da varum. So alpha, beta, gamma. So what is my requirement, sir? Alpha plus 2 beta plus 5 gamma. Alpha plus 2 beta plus 5 gamma. So 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 5 into 3 by 8, sir. So taking LCM, sir, 3 plus 6 plus 15 divided by 8, sir. Sir, what am I going to get, sir? 9 plus 15, sir. 24 by 8, sir, which is going to be 3. Yes or no? Which is going to be 3. Absolutely. Answer B for Bombay Bazaar. Are you getting the point? Yes, sir. See, B for Bombay Bazaar is the right answer. Now we'll move forward. Are you all ready for the next question? Are you all enjoying the session? Yes, sir. Now we'll see few more questions. Let's see what happens in the next question. So you can see this. Look at this. One more very basic and important question, sir. So if the points P and Q are respectively the circumcenter and orthocenter of a triangle ABC, then PA plus PB plus PC is equal to dash, sir. Sir, this question is very simple, sir, but you have to understand it very carefully, sir. Sir, here P and Q are respectively circumcenter and orthocenter of triangle ABC. Let me draw one triangle, sir, like this. Okay, A, B, C. Let us take position vector of A is A and B edakla and C is small c edakla. Purida? Any doubts? Now, sir, I have a doubt. Sir, P and Q are basically circumcenter. Sir, one beautiful logic I'll tell you guys. Here in geometry you might have studied. Let me take this is a P point. And P point I am taking it as origin. And let me consider point P as what, basically origin. Why, sir? Why are you considering? Sir, if I take P point as origin is what is P? What is P here? P representing the circumcenter. Guys, in coordinate geometry, in straight lines chapter, in centers of triangles concept, you might have studied. Yes, sir. Circumcenter is the only point which will be in an equal distance from all the vertices. What do you mean by, sir? Satyama idive purile, sir. No problem, sir. Look at the board, sir. Idana, sir, circumcenter. I am denoting with O, for example. Yes, sir, O. So this circumcenter will be an equal distance from all the vertices. Ra, Babu. Yes or no? See, let's say ఇది A, ఇది B, ఇది C. Circumcenter will be in an equal distance from all the three vertices of a triangle. Appo AO, BO, CO, all will be equal. When that will be equal, sir? Can you take this as origin? Circumcenter, if I take origin to A distance, origin to B distance, origin to C distance, all of them will be equal, sir. So if I take origin as my circumcenter, sir, so all this will be equal, as the circumcenter property demands that circumcenter will be in an equal distance from all the three vertices. Adakaga, I am taking circumcenter as origin. Hope you understood this. Sir, fine. Sir, Q is what, sir? Q is orthocenter, sir. Q is orthocenter. Now, so orthocenter, where should I take, and where should I take orthocenter now? Let me take somewhere in the triangle itself, G here and Q here, inside the triangle. So guys, G and Q inside the triangle only, but I am writing outside, please understand. Okay, now tell me, sir, what is centroid is going to be? What is centroid is going to be? Centroid is going to be what, Babu? A plus B plus C vector divided by 3. Yes or no? A vector plus B vector plus C vector by 3 or not? Yes, sir. Now I have one doubt, sir. This is PG basically. PG. G is here, right? G is here. G is. PG is what basically? PG vector. PG vector is what? Centroid, sir. Centroid, sir. Now, in a doubt is, sir. Sir, in a PG one is, sir. PG one is, sir. Now, here, let me tell you, these all fellows, P fellow, G fellow, and this Q fellow, these are in what basically? G divides this P and Q in what ratio? 2:1 ratio. G and Q, both of them are in triangle. Please don't write it outside. I don't have space. I should have drawn it a big diagram, but understand G and Q should be inside in the money. So P, G, Q, they are like this. So they are like this. Now, can I apply the concept sectional formula here? Can we apply the sectional formula? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, sir, PGQ. Okay, wait. P is what here? Basically, P is circumcenter, Babu. P inga varunu. Okay, and Q is what? Orthocenter. Yes, sir. Orthocenter inga varunu, Babu. Orthocenter. What I told? Honorable Governor. H means what here? Orthocenter. Orthocenter, they are denoting Q here. Appa Q the first one, line la. In line la Q the first one, P one the last one, because orthocenter எப்பவுமே லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்கணும். Yes or no? Honorable Governor. H means orthocenter, but they are representing orthocenter with Q, so I am writing Q in the first place of the line. Purida. In the middle G will be there and the last circumcenter will be there. Purida. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, yes or no? Now you tell me, sir, what can I do here? What is this is PG, sir. This is PG. Now from this, if I apply sectional formula, what I am going to get? I do not know Q, sir. Position vector of Q in a area, sir. Let me take it as R, sir. Position vector of Q, I don't know. Let me take it as R. Now you tell me what is P here? P is what basically? Zero vector. P is what, sir? Null vector I took. Origin. Yes or no? I know G, sir. Now tell me here, what is G? G is basically, G is what? What is G? A plus B plus C by 3 dana? Yes or no? 3 dana. Up tell me here. Now tell me, A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3 is equal to M. I mean M is what here? 2. 2 into 0 vector plus 1 into R vector divided by 3. Do you agree? 3 ushkak. 3 ushkak. Now tell me what I left with. Now tell me, R vector is equal to what? What is R vector here? R vector is equal to A plus B plus C, sir. A plus B plus C, sir. What is R vector, sir? What is R vector, sir? What is R vector? Tell me, sir. R vector is basically A plus B plus C I got. What is A plus B plus C? R vector is nothing but PA vector plus PB vector plus PC vector. Check. Is there R vector is nothing but. Let me write. Okay. So PA vector plus PB vector plus PC vector. Position of PA. Position of A minus position of P, which is A. Position of B minus P, B. Are you getting the part? PC means C here. Purida. So tell me now, what is R here? What is R here? We want PA plus PB plus PC that is equal to what? R. What is R means here? R means per PQ distance. R means what? PQ. That is equal to PQ. Which R is equal to what, Babu? R is equal to PQ vector. That is equal to PA, PB plus PC. So yeah, PQ is the answer. B for Bombay. B for Bombay. Yes or not? Yes, sir. Next, புரியுதா? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes sir, no doubt sir. Wonderful question, easy question. And now I just taught you one important point. Orthocenter, I mean circumcenter is the only point in any triangle which will be an equal distance from all the three vertices. That is a concept sir. Now I just explained you this. I just told you that orthocenter and circumcenter will be divided by whom sir? Centroid. In what ratio? 2:1 ratio sir. Honorable Governor. Indirectly, see guys, here H is the H means what sir? Orthocenter. That orthocenter they are denoting with Q sir. Adukkaga I am writing Q. புரியுதா? எப்போவுமே orthocenter first ல இருக்கணும். If you are writing in 2:1 ratio, orthocenter first இருக்கணும், then circumcenter. நடுவுல centroid. Okay sir. Next question போலாமா? Answer matching check. B for Bombay. Next question. Sir, let the three sides of a triangle sir. Let the three sides of a triangle ABC be given by the vector this, this and this. Let G be the centroid of the triangle ABC sir. Then it is equal to N. Tell me. Wonderful question Wonderful question Yes sir, it's a wonderful question only sir. But now I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply this question carefully sir. Looks easy sir, but when it comes to calculation you have to be careful. Even it is easy, calculation correct pananu. Concept wise this is very chintu ka sawal hai. Any doubts? Okay sir. Now let me do one thing sir. Let me draw the diagram. So what is that? Right, this is A. This is B. Let us see. Let us take this as C. Okay, let me consider A as origin here. Sir, why are you considering A as origin? Arey Babu, you can consider A, B, C, anything as origin, no problem. Are you getting the point? Let me take A as a reference point here. Given by the vectors A, B, C, given sir, right? Sides of the triangle. So three sides I have got. Now tell me sir. Sir, here CB. What is CB sir? CA plus AB. Tell me here. CA plus AB is equal to CB dana. Can I write like this? CA plus AB is equal to CB sir. Now yes, can we apply this? What is A here? Origin sir. Now what is CA? Position vector of A minus position vector of C. Position vector of A minus, or else you can find out CA or AB, anything works. Firstly you can find out C. Position vector of A, PV of A minus position vector of C. Tell me, any doubts? Yes or no? C. Now tell me position vector of A na sir? Origin sir. So minus position vector of C na sir? What is C sir? 1 minus 3. Let me write 1 minus 3 minus 5. I am not writing IJK and all. Just let me write 1 minus 3 minus 5 to make the calculation easy. Now what is the position vector of C is going to be sir? What is the position vector of C is going to be? Simply see, A position vector of A is anyway 0. Position vector of C is going to be what will be? Minus kita multiply panna minus 1 comma 3 comma 5 dana vandrum. Yes or no? So position vector of C and H sir ipo position vector of C and H minus 1 3 5 minus 1 3 5. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now position vector of AB eppadi sir? Position vector of B minus position vector of E. Any doubts? Tell me. So PV of B minus PV of A. Sir, PV of B minus PV of A. B minus A na sir? B minus A sir? B minus E. Purida, B minus E. So B na sir, we'll take this. 2 minus 1, 1. Right? So 2 minus 1, 1 minus origin. Right? What is this going to be? 2 minus 1, 1. This is what position of B. Position of A vector is what basically? Position of A is what? Position of A is or anyway 0 here. So B is going to be what? Tell me now. 2 minus 1 and 1. So let me write 2 minus 1 and 1. And see what I got sir? Minus 1, 3, 5. If you are aware of this, that's it. See guys, position vector of A anyway 0. So position of A na 0. So PV of B is going to be this. So I wrote PV of B is this. So PV of C eppadi sound. So PV for C I took CA la PV of A minus PV of C I did. Appo enna varum PV of anyway origin sir. Appo PV of C enna irum sir minus 1 3 5 then irum. So minus 1 3 5 eppadi. So A 0. So A B C vandiruchu paru. Avladha mudinchu question mudinchira babu. Appo G enna irum. What is G is going to be sir? Now Z, so G, centroid. Centroid is what, tell me? 0 plus 2 minus 1. So 1 by 3, yes or no? Wonderful. So 0 minus 1 plus 3. So 2 by 2. So 2 by 3, sorry. 2 by 3. Next. So 5 plus 1, 6 by 3, which is 2. So 1 by 3, comma 2 by 3, comma 2. Yes or no? What I need now? AG I need, BG I need, CG I need. So G will be somewhere here. Chinto. G will be here, sir. Now tell me, AG value, sir, BG value, sir, CG value, sir. AG enna, sir? Panlama. Yes, sir. AG enna. Pari, sir. AG enna. Tell me, OG. Position of G minus position of A. Yes or no? Can you all see the board clearly? Position of G minus position of A. So what is that going to be? So A minus G and so same 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 guys. What is the meaning of this? 1 by 3 I cap plus 2 by 3 J cap plus 2 K cap. So please understand, I am writing like this to make the calculation easy and faster, right? So and to save the time as well. So what is, we need magnitude of the square. Appo magnitude enna babu, tell me magnitude of the square enna. So square root koiru. So 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 4, sir. Yes or no? Tell me. So this 4, now if I take LCM, what is the answer is going to be, tell me? 36 plus 5, sir. By 9. So 41 by 9. This is 41 by 9. Check. 41 by 9 dana? 41 by 9 dana? 100%, sir. So now BG, sir. BG path klama. BG whole square. Firstly BG path klama. BG, sir. BG. B2G. Position of G minus position of B. Position of G minus position of B means 1 by 3 minus 2. 1 by 3 minus 2. So 25 by 4. Correct? So let me write directly. Square 25 by 4. 25 by 3, sorry. So 3 are 9. 25 by 9. Correct or not? BG means what? Position of G minus position of B. So which is basically 5 by 3 whole square. Yes or no? So 25 by 9, I am writing directly, guys. I am writing directly. BG means what? BG, what coordinates you need to find out, and then we are finding magnitude plus. Now tell me, so 2 by 3 minus of minus plus. So 2 by 3 plus 1. So 5 by 3 again, so 25 by 9 again. Yes or no? Please check the calculation. Now, what 2 minus 1? 1 whole square is what? 1, sir. So this is going to be what, sir? So 75 by 59 by 9. 59 by 9 or not? Yes or no? 59 by 9, sir. Wonderful, sir. Next CG whole square in a, sir. CG whole square. CG magnitude square. Square of magnitude of CG. Square of magnitude of CG enna. Take C ku G. C enna. G enna idi. So 1 by 3. Position of G minus position of C parano. So 1 by 3 plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 16 by 9, sir. Wonderful. Yes or no? And the square root cancel because we are squaring na. Magnitude means what? Root la one root, sir. Since we are doing square root and the square will be cancelled. Purida. Yes or no? Square root will be cancelled. So next is 2 by 3 minus 3. 2 by 3 minus 3, 9. So 49 by 9. 49 by 9. Yes, sir. Plus 49 by 9. Plus 9. So tell me here. So 81 plus 16. 97 plus 49. 97 plus 49. How much? 149. Answer 149. No. 16 plus. So 50, 65. 65 plus 81. So 140. 149. Yes, sir. Sir, can I write this as 81 by 9? 9 by 9 means what? 81 by 9. 81 by 9. So 81 plus 49. 120, 130. 130 and yes, 149 by 9. Did I make any calculation mistake? Check. 16 by 9 correct da, 49 by correct da, plus 9. So yeah, everything is correct only. So 50, 57, 50, 67, sorry, 67 idena 50 plus 16, 55, 55, 55 so yes, 65, sorry, 65 plus 81, 65 plus 81, everything seems to be correct only. Yeah, 81, 81 plus, so 65, 65, so tell me here 146 by 9, 146 by 9. So this is what I got. Now tell me here, if I add all this, what I'm going to get? Tell me 10, 6. So if I add all this, what I'm going to get, guys? 140, 149, yeah, 146, correct only. So 246, right? So yeah, let me do one thing. Let me write here itself. So what I need to do? I need to add all this and then multiply with 6. How the answer would be? So add all this means what? 41, 41 plus 59, 90, 100, 100 and 246, 246 by 9, 246 by 9. So 6 times of 246 by 9. Yes or no? Can you see this? Yes sir. I am writing the final answer here. So if I add panna 246 by 9 vandru, so answer is integer lo vandru. Integer lo varnu. So calculate panna, correct calculate pannu. Wait. So 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 1s, 3 8s, 3 2s. So 82 into 2 ra babu, 164 is the right answer. 164 is the answer. Question calculation careful 164 matching or not? 164, yes, matching. 164 is matching here. Check. 164 is matching. Calculation taka. See? Any doubts? Yes or no? Yeah. So next question polama. Yes sir. Next question polama. Yes sir. Any doubts? So very simple calculation konjam fast paranu. Right? Next sir. Next. What is dot product sir? What is dot product sir? Sir, now we'll talk about dot product. Dot product. See, we denote like this: A dot B. You all know the formula: magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. So, for example, angle between A vector and B vector is something like this, which is acute and obtuse angle. How do you find out? Angle between A vector and vector B. How do you find out? Cos theta, babu. Cos theta formula na A dot B. See, this is A dot B, sir. This is A dot B. Cos theta. If I isolate cos theta, A dot B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This is the formula, sir. This is the formula. Yes or no? So, yes. Now, if I just go with the properties, magnitude of A dot B, A dot B is equal to B dot A basically. So, this is a distributive property. It is valid over here. A dot B plus A dot C. Yes or no? So, L and M both are scalars. So, both scalars will be multiplied A dot B. Very simple properties. Just go with this. Right? Now, very important point I'll tell you guys. Very important here. A dot B positive. Now, angle between vector and vector B is acute. Very important. Basic point மேல நிறைய questions கேட்டாங்க. புரியுதா? So, A dot B positive sir. அப்போ angle between A and B என்ன sir? எப்போவுமே acute தான். இப்போ A dot B negative sir. Detailed explanation you might have studied in your NCERT also as well as in JEE classes as well guys. Correct? அப்போ A dot B negative na A dot B A க்கு B க்கு நடுவுல இருக்க angle வந்து acute sir. Right? So if A dot B is equal to 0 sir, A is perpendicular to B. Both are perpendicular to each other. Whenever they are perpendicular, A dot B எப்போவுமே 0 தான் பண்ணணும். Sir A dot A magnitude of A whole square. Magnitude of A square we can write. Sir these are, see all these are very important properties. Beautiful and very important properties. புரியுதா? Yes or no? So magnitude of A plus B whole square, same A plus B whole square மாதிரி தான். But magnitude of A square, magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, 2 times of A dot B, right? And now A plus B plus C also same. Check A square, B square, C square, 2 times of each. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay, so these 2 points, all the points are very important. Positive na acute, negative na obtuse, equal to 0 na perpendicular. This can be written as this. Similarly, B dot B, C dot C also you can write. So your whole square and 3 vectors sum of our square, magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square and sir ipdi vadru. Very important. We will see many questions based on this. Let's see let's move forward. Are you all ready? Yes sir. Now look see the least positive integral value of alpha for which the angle between these two vectors is acute. Sir, acute means what sir? Check. Acute I told. Acute means A dot B one positive. A dot B positive. If A dot B is positive sir, tell me vector A and B के नडुल लेने का angle எப்போமே positive sir. அப்போ positive ने sir cos theta formula what did I give sir? Cos theta formula. What is the cos theta formula sir? What was the cos theta formula sir? Cos theta formula I give. Check here cos theta formula ना sir जी. देखो A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Same formula I am going to apply here. So so let me write directly. So cos theta is equal to dot product of these two vectors, which is alpha square minus 4 alpha minus into minus plus 4 divided by magnitude of this, which is alpha square plus 4 into 4 alpha square plus 4. Any doubt till this? This should be what? This should be what basically? They have given acute. So A dot B should be what? Positive. Yes or no? Yes or no people? Yes sir. This should be positive sir. What is A dot B? It is a positive. It is a A dot B. Yes or no? A dot B, this is A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So A dot B positive I get. Then if angle between vector A and vector B acute means. Purida? Yes or no? Yes sir. So now A dot B positive I am saying. Since A dot B positive, numerator enna sir? This is positive. This is positive. Yes sir. Now I will do one beautiful logic here. Look at the board everyone. So can I write this as plus 4, I mean minus 4. Let me add plus 8 on both sides. Appo enna idu sir? Alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 4 greater than 8 sir. Appo enna sir here? Alpha minus 2 whole square idu ellama 100% sir. So alpha minus 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square ellama greater than 0. Shifting 8 this side. A square means B square. A plus B into A minus B greater than 0 sir. Purida? Yes or no? Tell me sir. Now 𝑉𝐴𝑉𝐏 method I am going to apply. 𝑉𝐴𝑉𝐏 method. What are the roots sir? So this is going to be what? 2 minus 2 root 2. Another one is what? 2 plus 2 root 2. Yes or no? This is minus infinity of course. Plus infinity plus minus plus. Enakku positive region venu sir. In the region. Yes or no? Positive region venu for alpha values. For alpha values positive region enakku venu. Yes or no babu? So what region I want now? Tell me. Alpha belongs to what? Let me write. Alpha belongs to minus infinity to 2 minus 2 root 2 union 2 plus 2 root 2 to infinity sir. Yes or no? What is the question sir? The least positive integral value of alpha. Alpha belongs to this range. Adula least positive integral value of alpha. In a least positive means I don't mind this ra. Positive means vena positive value of alpha. Least positive. About 2 plus 2 root 2 sir. 2 plus root 2 we have to see over here. Least positive verekanna idila ponu sir. Idila ponu enna root sollu. So 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 plus 2 into root 2. Root 2 means what? 1.414. So 2 plus 2 into 1.414 sir. So idana sir 2.8. 2.8 means what? 2.8 plus 2 4.8. So 4 point kaparam the least positive enna varum sir? 5. Yes or no? 4.8 kaparam the least positive value enna sir? 5. Yes or no? So positive enna 4.8 to infinity sir. 4.5 is not included sir. So tell me here alpha belongs to minus infinity. So 2 minus 2 root 2 union this. Idhula least positive value 4.8 include pannakoodadu. 4 point kaparam integer value which is the least one, which is the least positive integer value enna 5 dana. Appo 5 should be the answer. Purida illaya? Yes or no? Idhula least positive integral value 5 da. So beautifully we finished this question. For answer 5 matching. So idu panna very simple vandrum sir. Next question sir. Let A value next question. Let A value, I mean A vector, B vector and C be 3 vectors such that C is coplanar with A and B. If the C is perpendicular to B and A dot C is 5, sir, magnitude of C is equal to dash. So this coplanar concept I will be explaining a bit, a bit later in this lecture itself. But after a while I will explain this. But try to solve this question. Coplanar vector means what? Coplanar vectors is nothing but basically all the vectors should lie in the same plane. Very simple concept. But now, sir, A vector kuduthirukanga, B vector kuduthirukanga, and C also is there, but that they have not given this C. 3 vectors such that C is coplanar with A and B. C is coplanar with A and B. Sir, C is coplanar with A and B means what, sir? What do you mean by that? How do we deal with this? So let me draw one rough diagram here. This is plane da thambi ipdi. Okay, this is plane da. Sariya. So here A vector ipdi irukda. Okay, this is A vector da. Okay, va. This is B vector da ipdi. So ipdi somewhere this is B vector da. Okay, va. Okay, so obviously this is na. What is this? This is going to be A cross B. Yes or no? Now there is another vector. If C is perpendicular to B given, C is perpendicular to B. So I need to draw this conjunct carefully here. So here, let's say the B vector da, and C is basically perpendicular to B, which means it should be somewhere like this. Correct or not? Da? Let us draw like this. Yes or no? Let us draw like this. Now tell me. This is C vector da. Purida? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now let me explain you one concept here. Very simple thing. This angle is 90, sir. Appo A cross B is also perpendicular to C vector. Purida Ilya. Here B is perpendicular to C. He himself gave that. But now A cross B is also perpendicular to C. Since A, B, C, all of them are lying in the same plane. Wonderful, ah? Super, ah? See, A, B vectors ipdi irukida, C ipdi irukida, B vandu perpendicular to C kuduthirukanga in the question. So now A cross B will be like this. Now A cross B ipdi irundhuchna. Now A cross B is also perpendicular to C, since all of them are in the same plane. Purida Ilya. Wonderful. Now here I will be doing one simple thing. Here. Yana sir. So what will you be doing here, sir? So I will do one simple thing. What is that, sir? Now whenever so let me write here. Excuse me, guys. Here C is perpendicular to here. Let me write here. Here C is perpendicular to A cross B and what? A cross B and what? B. A cross B and B vector. The C is perpendicular to A cross B and also B vector. Check. C is perpendicular to B vector. And C is also perpendicular to A cross B. That's what I told. Suppose, guys, one vector is perpendicular to, see, one vector is perpendicular to other two vectors. What I am saying, you heard it right? One vector is perpendicular to remaining two vectors, which means either vectors are either vectors are. So C is perpendicular to these two vectors. Then we always can write like this: lambda times of lambda times of A cross B, sir. When, sir? When C one vector is perpendicular to two other vectors. When a vector is perpendicular to two other vectors, now lambda times of A cross B. See, A cross B in the vector, cross B in the vector. Purida. Yes or no? So now tell me, sir, this is a vector triple product. VTP, yeah. So eppadi sa pananu? So C vector is equal to, guys, VTP will come later, but let me explain you again here. So tell me here, dot product of the extremities into naduvula irukka vector. What is the formula, da? What is the formula? Dot product of the extremities, dot product of the extreme vectors A dot B into naduvula irukka vector minus remaining in a B dot B into A vector. Purida, check. Is this correct? Yes or no? So mudinchi, sir. Answer mudinchi. Are VTP formula babu, dot product of the last two B and the remaining two into A. Excuse me, guys. C vector is what, sir? What is C vector here? Lambda as it is. A dot B, sir. I'll do A dot B here. Let me do roughly here. A dot B, sir. 3 plus 2 minus 3 sir. So 3 cancel na 2 sir. Yes or no? In a case sir b dot b. So so what I am going to get here? So 11. So 9 plus 1 minus 1. Yes or no? So 9 plus, oh sorry sir, 9 plus 1 plus 1, right? 9 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 11 sir. So you tell me now guys, now let me substitute here. Lambda A dot B sir, A dot B is 2 sir. 2 into B vector. B vector is what sir? 3, 1 minus 1. Guys, let me write a vector like this in style. B dot B sir, B dot B which is 11. A vector sir, 1, 2, 3 sir. So I am writing A dot B as this, B vector kutrinaanga, B dot B is sir, A vector is sir. Sariya? Appo idu vandiruchu sir. Appo enna sir paranum? We'll do one thing. Let me take this side. C I am writing this side, left side. So C vector is going to be what? C vector is going to be what? 6 minus 11. 6 minus 11 minus 5. Yeah. Yes or no? So lambda as it is minus 5. Next 2 minus 22. 2 minus 22 minus 20. Yeah. Minus 20 sir. Next minus 2 minus 33 minus 35. What is the meaning of this dot? 3i plus j cap minus k cap. I cap plus j 2j cap plus 3k cap. அப்படிதான கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. I am writing in style in short to make the calculation easy, to do things faster. சரியா? Yes or no? Yes sir. So I just wrote like this. Now C vector என்ன sir? C vector வந்துருச்சு சார் எனக்கு. C vector என்னன்னா, if I take minus common da, if I take minus common, minus 5 lambda 1 comma 4 comma 7 sir. I cap plus 4j cap plus k plus 7k cap. சரியா? What they have given next? Next they have given A dot C is equal to 5. எனக்கு A vector தெரியும் sir, C vector தெரியாது sir. For finding C vector da I was fighting sir. அது C vector வந்துருச்சு sir. அப்போ A dot C is equal to 5 sir. ரெண்டுமே dot product பண்ணா எனக்கு என்ன வரும் sir? எனக்கு என்ன வரும் sir? அப்போ C vector ஓட magnitude வந்துரும் sir. Yes or no? We'll use this. இப்போ I'll do, see guys, now I have one doubt sir. Why? See, we got C. இவரோட magnitude தான் find out பண்ணணும். இவரோட magnitude. அப்போ magnitude find out பண்ணதுக்கு எனக்கு lambda தெரியாதே. அந்த lambda வேல்யூக்கு இந்த கண்டிஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். lambda வேல்யூ find out பண்றதுக்காக இந்த கண்டிஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணா எனக்கு என்ன வரும் சார்? lambda வந்துச்சு சார். lambda வந்துச்சுனா முடிச்சு. chapter khatam. We'll get answer very easy. Chapter khatam means question khatam, not chapter. Okay va? Yes sir. Sir, we will do one thing in the next page polama. Sir, A dot C 5. What was A? So 1 2 3 1 2 3 dot. What is C? Minus 5 lambda 147 with minus 5 lambda minus 20 lambda minus 35 lambda is equal to 5. Yes or no? Yes or no people? Sir, we'll just multiply sir. My dot product means what? Minus 5 lambda minus 40 lambda minus 105 lambda is equal to 5 sir. Correct? Yes or no? So how much? Minus 150 sir. Minus 150 is equal to 5 sir. Lambda is equal to 1 by 30 sir. Minus 1 by 30 sir. Any doubts? Lambda value minus 1 by 30 sir. புரியுதாரா பாபு? Lambda value வந்துருச்சுனா அப்போ C value என்ன வரும்? C value என்ன? Minus 1 by 30 means what? டக்கா சொல்லணும். Tell me what is that? Minus 1 by 30 as it is. So C value என்ன? CC 5 lambda 147. What was the C babu? Minus 5 into lambda into 147. 147 means what? I cap 4j cap 7k cap. Be careful. Minus plus sir. 1 by 6. Let me write here. So C vector is what sir? Now tell me. So 1 by 6 outside 147. So magnitude of C enna sir? Mudinchi. Magnitude of C enna? So just calculate this. What I am going to tell me now. So 1 by 6 as it is. 1 by 6 square root of 1 plus 16 plus 49, sir. Yes or no? So 66, root 66 by 6, sir. Root 66 by 6. This is what the answer. Let us check whether any option matching. Okay. So, okay, none of the options are matching. So we need to manipulate this. Manipulate paranu. Eppadi sir manipulate panradhu? Eppadi sir manipulate paranu? Tell me. Taka taka taka. Taka 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 solanu. Root 6 into root 66 eppadi ellama. Wonderful, sir. This cancel iron, sir. Appo root 66 by 6. Appo which is root 11, sir. Which is root 11. You can't see this, right? So let me write here root 11. This is the final answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? So root 6, guys, actually I wrote wrong. No, here 11 will come, right? My bad. Here 11 will come. My bad. I'm sorry. Look, 11. This is the answer. This should be the answer. Root 11 by 6. Root 11 by 6. Let us see which option. Option A for Ahmedabad. Option A for Agra is the right answer. Check. So this is the answer. Any doubts? How simple it is, Ra Babu? Very simple, sir. Next question polama. Yes, sir. So chalo, we'll go forward. Yes. A vector, B vector given, sir, C vector given, sir. These three vectors. Let R be a unit vector along B plus C. A unit vector along B plus C, sir, B plus C by magnitude of that, sir. That's it. So R dot A is what, sir? 3. 3 lambda inna. Simple. NCERT concept da babu. This is NCERT concept only. There is nothing that we are going to solve something new here. This is very, very simple concept. Let us do one thing. Everybody. A vector and sir. A vector is basically 1, 2, 3. B vector is basically 2, 3 minus 5. C vector is basically 3 minus 1 lambda. Let me write like this. Purida? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, what he has given here? B plus C. Let R be a unit vector along B plus C. R be a unit vector along B plus C. Then how do I write, sir? So R is equal to B plus C means what? B plus C means what basically? B plus C vector divided by magnitude of B plus C. Simple. Right? What is B plus C? Firstly, what is B plus C vector? B plus C means, let me write here directly. B plus C means what is a 5, 2, so minus 5 plus lambda. Yes or no? 5, 2, minus 5, minus 5 lambda. Any doubts? 5, 2, 5 minus or lambda minus 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, magnitude is what? What is the magnitude? Tell me. What is the magnitude? 25 plus 4 plus lambda minus 5 whole square. Yes, sir. I, J, K component order squares individually. Purida. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now what they have given here? What else they have given? In a R dot A given as 3, sir. In a R vector vandrichu, sir. R vector is, sir. Appo R dot A given R dot A is equal to 3, sir. R vector is, sir, 5 by ide. 5 by root 29 plus lambda minus. Guys, let us do one thing. Let us write this outside. What is that? 29 plus lambda minus 5 whole square. Let us write outside. So we'll just 5 into A now. 5 ones 5. 5 ones 5. So plus 2 plus 3 lambda minus 15, sir. Any doubts? This is equal to what, sir? This is equal to 3, sir. Check. 7. You understand this? Did you all understand this? Tell me, any doubt? So 9 plus 3 lambda. 9 now. 7. 7 means what? Correct, Dana? Any doubts? Yeah. So tell me, we'll move forward. Check. Oh, wait. Yes. Chintu. Chintu, what is this Chintu? So 3 lambda minus 6, correct? Idana sir? 9 minus 15 minus 6 plus 3 lambda is equal to 3 times of, cross multiplying this, 3 times of 29 plus lambda minus 5 whole square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Can we do squaring on both sides? Yes sir. If I do squaring on both sides, what am I going to get, sir? Squaring on both sides. So a square, correct? B square minus 2, 6, 36 lambda. Yes or no? So 3 times of 29 plus a square plus b square minus 10 lambda. Right? Squaring on both sides means 3 eppadi sir varum? 3 eppadi sir varum? Idu 9 ayrum sir. 9 ayrum sir. Yes sir, 9. Right? So 29 into 9. 29 into 9, how much sir? 261. 261. Check here, 9 lambda square plus 36. 261, correct or not? 261 plus 9 lambda square plus 225 minus 90 lambda. Minus 90 lambda. Minus 90 lambda. Yes or no? 9 lambda square, 9 lambda square, pushback. So tell me here, if this guy comes this side, 54 lambda vandrum sir. 54 lambda, correct or not? 54 lambda is equal to 35 sir. So minus 36, right? So 54 lambda. 54 lambda is equal to what sir? 261 plus 225 plus 36. 450, yes or no? 450 dana? 450 dana? 400 and yes, 450. Tell me, 450 then? Yes, 450. Check, minus 36 is 450. So tell me. So let me write here. Where sir? Here. So let me create some space here. So lambda is equal to what sir? So 450 by 54 sir. So lambda is equal to 950 by 50 by 6. So lambda is equal to 25 by 3. So 25 by 3 means what? Lambda is 25 by 3 sir. 3 lambda is equal to 25 sir. This is your final answer. Any doubts? No doubts sir. 3 lambda is equal to 25. B for Bombay is the right answer. Very simple. It's all about calculation. Yes or no? Yes sir. Okay, next question. So for lambda greater than 0, let theta be the angle between the vectors A, B. If the vectors A plus B and A minus B are mutually perpendicular, then the value of 14 cos theta whole square. Sir, ipo vectors A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular to each other means what? இப்பதான் சொல்லிட்டேன். A dot B equal to 0. இப்போ ரெண்டு vectors perpendicular to each other means என்ன சார்? அவரோட dot product equal to 0 ஆகணும். Yes or no sir? Yes sir. So now you look, A plus B dot A minus B should be equal to 0. Yes or no? இப்படி தானே பண்ணணும். Sir, if I dot product equal to 0, then what will come sir? So magnitude of A vector oda square minus square of the magnitude of B whole square is equal to 0. Sariya? Yes or no? Sir, if I panna magnitude of A na, what is the magnitude of A? Tell me, magnitude of A our square. So 1 plus lambda square plus 9. Correct? Yes or no? So C minus magnitude of B square na 9 plus 1 plus 4. Sariya? Is equal to 0 sir. Sir, now plus 9 minus 9 cancel sir. So otherwise, well, let me open the bracket and then do it. Let me open the bracket and then cancel it. Plus 9. So minus 9 minus 1 minus 4. So yeah, is equal to 0. Plus 9 minus 9 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So lambda square is equal to 4. Upon lambda is going to be what sir? Lambda is going to be plus or minus 2. So lambda is going to be what? Plus or minus 2. But the condition of lambda is sir? Positive. Upon lambda should be what sir? Since lambda is positive, so lambda should be equal to what? 2. Any doubts? Lambda should be equal to what? 2. So if lambda is equal to 2 sir, then 14 cos square theta என்ன sir? Sir, now I have one doubt sir. So theta எப்படி sir கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Cos theta. So cos theta formula என்ன sir? So dot product of two vectors given to us divided by our magnitude. Sir, now let us do one thing. What is magnitude of A and magnitude of B? So firstly let me write the A vector. What is A vector is going to be now, tell me? A vector என்ன sir? அப்போ lambda value என்ன 2 sir. அப்போ A vector என்ன sir? 1 comma A vector 2j, which means 2 and minus 3. Now B vector is going to be what? 3 minus 1 comma 2. Cool. So A vector, B vector, I got it sir. Sir, now I want cos theta our whole square. So theta is angle between the vectors. So cos theta and sir, just a minute. Right? What is cos theta? What is cos theta? A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Cool? Yes or no? So cos theta is what, tell me? Dot product of these two vectors. So 3 minus 2 minus 6 divided by magnitude of A, which is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 into square root of 9 plus 1 plus 4. Purida. So minus 5 divided by what sir? So 10 14, so root 196. Yes or no? Root 196, square root of 14 into square root of 14. Purida. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now I got cos theta sir. They are asking for 14 into cos theta. So square root of 196 is what sir? Square root of 196 is 14. Are you getting the point? 14 cos theta. 14 cos theta. So cos theta value is what sir? Cos theta value is minus 5 by 14. So இவருக்கு square. அவர் என்ன சார் கேட்டாங்க? So cos theta வந்து இது 14 cos theta whole square. So 14 into cos theta. So tell me sir. So what I am going to get me now? 14. This is 14, right? So 14 cancel ஆயிடும் sir. 14 cancel ஆயிடும் sir. 14 cancel பண்ணா minus 5 whole square வந்து 25. So 25 should be the answer. B for Bombay. Any doubts? How simple it is. The only thing is two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So when two vectors can be perpendicular to each other, our dot product should be equal to 0. And the concept though I just applied over here. Matte ellame simple. Seriya? Next question polama. Are you all ready? Eppadi irukku? Romba easy ana question and very important ana question. See 24 they have given. Right? They have given in 2024. So okay. So let's see. Option A is the right answer. You can check this. Now next question polama. Yes sir. Set of values of alpha for which the vectors A, B are inclined at an obtuse angle for all t belongs to R. So check obtuse angle given. Inclined at obtuse angle. Sir, inclined at obtuse angle means what sir? Obtuse angle enna dot product of these two vectors. Dot product of these two vectors should be less than 0 for obtuse angle. Acute means I would have done A dot B positive. Purida? Yes or no? Yes sir. So now A dot B is equal to 0. What is A sir here? What is A? A given, B given. So A dot B is now alpha t square. Check dot product of these two vectors I am doing. Alpha t square minus 12t plus 6 alpha t is less than 0. You understand or not? Tell me. You understand? Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, quadratic is less than 0. Now we have to go all the way to quadratic equations concept. Quadratic less than 0 sir. Quadratic negative no graph eppadi irukum sir? Sir, graph will be like this sir. The graph, this is y axis and x axis, right? This is y axis, x axis. Graph will be all the way downwards. Why sir? Quadratic எப்போமே less than 0. Less than 0 means it has to be below the x axis. Below the x axis means what sir? Now tell me, below the x axis means obviously alpha should be negative. The coefficient of x square should be coefficient of t square means x square place like t square irukku. Appo coefficient of t square வந்து negative irukkanum. Purida? And the discriminant is going to be always less than 0. So these are the two conditions we have to apply here. இதுக்கு sir graph எப்போவுமே கீழ இப்படி கீழ இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன sir? Meaning alpha should be less than 0, discriminant less than 0. You just remember the graph of the quadratic equations. If the graph is upwards, I would have just done, the graph is upwards, I would have put alpha greater than 0. And the discriminant is what basically? Discriminant is what basically? If the graph is totally upwards, cutting the x-axis, then I would have done something greater than 0. If it is graph touching x-axis, I would have done discriminant equal to 0 on the mari. Purida, you just have to remember all the concepts. Okay, it's very very important. Sir, now alpha less than 0 வந்துருச்சு sir, fine. இப்போ next என்ன sir? Next என்ன? So fine, இப்படி இருக்கு. Now what is the next concept here? What is R inclined at obtuse angle, then theta, T belongs to R. So what is the next? So can I just factorize this? Can I factorize this? Or discriminant less than 0 பண்ணிக்கலாம். Not factorization, discriminant. What is discriminant here? B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC means what, sir? B square minus 4AC. So yeah. Now இது பண்ணா now I have one doubt, sir. B square minus 4AC you are doing fine. So 36 or 144, tell me. 36 or 144. Alpha less than 0 are fine. Now 4AC. Yes or no? What is C here? What is C here? We have no constant. Listen, see, if I manipulate this, so dot product is what? 12. Dot product is 12. Dot product is 12, not 12t here. Dot product is 12, not 12. So check here, 12 will come. So now B square minus 4AC. B square means what, sir? So B square. So B square minus 4AC, right? So that is less than 0. Yes or no, guys? Check here, AX square plus BX plus C mari irukku. Yes or no? I wrote by mistakenly that T and the T varakudada babu. So purida. Yes or no? So minus 12 less than 0. Now tell me here. So 36 alpha square plus 48 alpha less than 0. Yes or no? 36 alpha square plus 48 alpha less than 0. 48 alpha less than 0. Sir, now if I just take 12 common, if I take 12 common, 12 common means 3 alpha plus 4 less than 0. So this will be going this side. So alpha is lesser than what? Minus 4 by 3. Alpha is lesser than minus 4 by 3. Alpha lesser than minus 4 by 3. Either, option A deleted, sir, C you deleted. Either B or C should be the right answer. Sir, minus 4 by 3, fine. Minus 4 by 3 to 0 pannanwa. Sir, 0 se eppadi sir calculate pannanu? How do we just find out 0 here? How do you find out 0 here? Tell me. Now 0 kita including irukku. See, close bracket irukku 0 kita. Here 1 kita open bracket irukku. Now 0 kita close bracket. How do you check now? How do you check this? I'll tell you one logic. See, I will apply 𝑉𝐵 method. Simply, what are critical points, sir? Alpha value 0, sir, or minus 4 by 3. Here 0 plus minus plus. In the minus region venue, sir. Alpha belongs to minus 4 by 3 comma 0. So both are open, but both are open. Ingeve ille. So enna sir parano? We need to check at 0. Check. Minus 4 by 3 to 0. 0 open irukku, but option la kudukka option enna 0 kita close irukku. Appo 0 value we need to check. Alpha value checking at alpha is equal 0. Checking it alpha is equal 0 enna sir? Sir, checking it alpha is equal 0 na, if I put alpha value 0 where, sir? If I put alpha value 0 where in the question? If I put alpha value 0 here in the quadratic, 0 plus 0 minus 12 less than 0. Check. Minus 12 is less than 0, which is true for all, which is true. Check. Alpha value 0 pota minus 12 less than 0. Appo alpha value alpha value 0 pota true statement undirchi. Appo alpha value 0 can be included in our answer. Other than a conclusion. So minus 4 by 3 comma 0. This is the answer. So option B for Bombay is the right answer. B for Bombay is the right answer. Puridana solradhu. So alpha is less than 0, discriminant is less than 0, the graph will be downwards. So B square minus 4AC, adu panna alpha values will be like this, but none of the options were matching, sir. 0 kita close irukku option la. Appo I am just checking it what? 0. So true statement is coming, so I'm now including 0 sir. Adhik option B is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? So good question overall. Next, so yeah, see that next. Guys, this is one of the very important concept. The concept is what? Projection of a vector. Projection of a vector on another vector. Sir, so I just have given the definition over here. Please go to this. Simple. So whatever formula I'll be applying, sir. Projection of A on B. How do we write? Projection of A on B is nothing but A into B cap. Projection of B on A means B into A cap. Sir, if I just write it detailedly, what is this? A cap, I mean A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of B. How to write this? B dot A by magnitude of A. Purida. So projection of A on B, adu pandradhukku we just take cos component and we can prove this very simply, but proof is not required for us now at the moment. So projection of A on B pandradhukku A dot B by on whom? B கீழ வரணும். அப்போ projection of B on whom? A. அப்போ A கீழ வரணும். So see, this is what called as projection concept. This is what called as projection concept of A on B or B on A. Purida? Simple formula. Now we'll see questions based on this. How important, this concept you will understand now solving at the questions. Simple questions, very simple questions, basic NCERT level questions they have asked. So let us try to solve all the questions now. See, A vector, B vector, B2 vectors here. So then which of the following statements true? Babu, see, don't be scared looking at the options. Options are very simple. If you look at the options properly, you are not even gonna think anything. You are not gonna think twice to solve. I mean, skip this question. So very simple question. See, projection of A on B. Projection of A on B means what, Babu? Simple. A on B. Projection of, listen. Let me write here itself. Whatever step plan through. Projection of A vector on B vector. This is equal to what? A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of B. So A dot B, sir, A dot B means 5 minus 3 plus 15, sir. Sorry, minus 15. Yes or no? Minus 15 divided by 5 minus 3 and then minus 15 divided by magnitude of B. Magnitude of B is what, sir? 1 plus 9 plus 25. Yes or no? Yes or no? So yes, sir. Now you tell me here 2 minus 13 by 35, sir. Minus 13 by 35. Which option is correct? Minus 13 inga option B la kadiyadu, option A la irukku, C la kadiyadu, option D enna? Minus represents what? Basically projection of A on B. Minus 13 by root 35 is, and the direction of the projection vector is opposite to the direction of B. Are you getting the point? Projection of A on B is this, and the direction of the projection vector is opposite to the direction. This negative sign represents opposite direction. Option A is the right answer. D option is, sir, A on B is basically, and the direction of the projection vector is same. Inga same irukra babu, same kadiyadu pari. So negative sign represent the opposite direction. So option A should be the right answer. Purida? How simple it is? Ure or step direct formula put and answer vandichu. Purida? So previous year question. How simple it is? This is a very simple question. So next question. See. So let us solve this. So if the components of A is this, sir, along. Super on a question. So let us see. Let us see how many of you are reading the question properly and understanding this. So just try to make sure that you are understanding the question by your own. You all know that how well you people are understanding the question. So if whether you are understanding the question or not, you just test yourself. Read the question once and try to see whether am I able to understand the question or not. Test yourself. A vector, see, if the component of A along and perpendicular to this respectively are is along good vector, is perpendicular to vector. Sir, you read the question properly. Please read the question properly. If you read the question, if you understand the language of the question, in the question or the language and sir, English language solo kudadu. Language means what kind of language, Rababu? Technical language. What exactly the mathematical concept they are talking about. Adi purinjina if அது புரிஞ்சிச்சுனா simple. So இப்படி solve பண்ணிக்கலாம் டக். Okay, so A, if the component of A along and perpendicular to B respectively given, then alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to what? See, I'll do one thing. So let me try to make you understand here. Listen. So what they have given? Components of A along B. Okay, along B. This is B vector. Let us take this is B vector, and components of A along B. Let's say the A vector, right? A vector along B they have given. This is C. Component of A along B is what this? What is this? Component of A along B is this, and component of A perpendicular to B is what? This is, let's say this is perpendicular to B vector. What is this vector? This is a vector. This is a vector perpendicular to B. Yes or no? This is a vector. This is a vector perpendicular to B vector. Yes or no? This one. Purida. Now, sir, how do I write this A vector? Tell me now. How do I write this A vector? So now tell me, this is a vector. This is a vector. Component of A along B vector. Let us say A1 vector. Okay. So component of A vector along B. Let us say A1. And component of A along with the perpendicular vector, let us consider this as A2 vector. Okay, appo A vector is what basically here? A vector can be written as A1 vector plus A2 vector. Purida, A vector can be written as A1 vector plus A2 vector. This is very important. This is very important. If you understand the language, that's it. What is this? A1 is what basically along. A2 enna perpendicular. Check along and perpendicular. Along vandu idi, perpendicular vandu idi. Appo idi plus vandu A vector. Avla. இது plus இது வந்து A vector டா. A vector வந்துச்சுனா அது கம்பேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கம்பேர் பண்ணா எனக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து பாரு. A vector you can compare with this and find out the alpha, beta, gamma values. Answer வந்துரும். முடிஞ்சா? Sir, can you give one more example? See, so to make you understand simple language, I'll tell you. Listen to me. See, everybody, இது A vector, sir. இது இது A vector, and there is another vector. There is another vector something like this. Okay, so now tell me here, you tell me here let me consider B vector as something like 2i cap plus 3j cap. Purida. So let me consider this B vector as 2i cap plus 3j cap. Are you getting the point? So in 2D we are talking about, we are talking about 2D. Okay, so idanna A vector, sir. Idanna vector, sir, the vector which is perpendicular to A. Purida, the vector which is perpendicular to A. Let me take dot. Let me take dotted line here. Purida, yes or no? Let us take this as C vector, no problem. Idanna A vector, this C vector. C is what basically perpendicular to A here, and there is another vector B. Now tell me, so here the component of B along A is what? Let's say 2. Let's say 2i plus 3j means what basically? Component of B along A is what? 2. Component of B along with the along with the C is what basically 3. Are you getting the point? Now when in the vector in the B vector, how do you write B vector? Tell me. Along with A is 2i cap with respect to x axis. Component of x axis is what? Is 2. Now along with y axis is what basically? So if B vector along the component, the component of B in the vector of the component along the x axis is 2 da, and in the vector of the component along with the C is what basically? In the A vector of perpendicularity. So that is another 3. With respect to x is 2, with respect to y is 3. Appo B vector verena eppadi? Idu plus idu add panadha varum. Same logic I am applying here. Enakku enna venu sir? In the vector venu sir. A vector component of A along B, I am taking it as A1 da, and along with let me say this vector as C vector. Are you getting the point? Along with the C vector is what basically A2, let's say. Are you getting the point? Appo A vector veruna in the vector plus in the vector add panna idu varum. Mudinchu. So if you understand the language, after this simple. I just gave this an example. Now here look at the word. So A vector. So let me write A vector. What is A1 here? This is A1 Rababu. This is A1. According to this, as per the consideration in our question, this is A1, and what is this? The is A2. Check. Along is this, perpendicular is this. So 1 by 11. So 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 kadiyadu, 16 by 11, sorry. So 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 plus 1 by 11, and what is this? minus minus 4 minus 5 minus 17 sir. ठीक है sir. Now tell me ये ரெண்டு में add பண்ணனும். இது add பண்ண என்ன சார் 16 3s 48 48 minus 4 44 by 11 கரெக்ட்டா? So கரெக்ட்டா add பண்ணனும் a vector. So 44 by 11 which is 44 by 11 comma. So tell me 16 minus 5 11 by 11 sir. Wonderful. 16 minus 16 minus 17 minus 16 minus 17 minus 33 by 11 sir. அப்போ a vector என்ன சார் வந்துருச்சு 4 comma 1 comma minus 3 sir. So this is what they have given a vector alpha beta gamma. Check alpha beta gamma is what a vector. So now you will put என்ன சார் வரும் alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square என்ன சார். So 4 square 16 beta square is 1 gamma square is 9. So 26 is the answer sir. 26. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubts? C for Chintu is the right answer. Puridara Babu, any doubts? Are you understanding or not? Tell me, the simple language is what here? Component of A vector along B is A1, let us consider, and let us consider component of A vector along this C vector is A2. அப்போ எனக்கு A vector வேணும்னா இது plus இது add பண்ணா எனக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். Simple. புரியுதா? Are you getting the point or not? Yes sir. Okay, so hope you understood this beautiful concept and a very simple question if you understand the language, right? Next question. See, you can check C option is the right answer. Next, see the projection of the vector this on the sum of the two vectors. Arey simple ra babu, simple, you all can do this. Projection of this on the sum of the two vectors, this and this. How do you do this? Is equal to 1 given, then lambda is equal to what? So will you all be able to do this? Will you all do this guys? Will you all do this? It's a very simple question. Now let me do one thing. So let us let A vector is what 1 2 1 sir. So B vector is what basically sum of these two vectors. Let us say B is what? So 2 minus lambda and then 4 plus 2 6 minus 5 minus 5 plus 3 so minus 2. This is B vector. Any doubts? Any doubts ra babu? Yes or no? Yes sir. Projection of this guy on the sum of these two vectors. So what they have given projection of A on B is equal to 1. So B vector is what? Sum of these two vectors is B here. Please understand that. So A dot B is what basically 2 minus lambda plus 12 minus 2 divided by 2 minus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4. You understand? This is magnitude is equal to 1 sir. They have given it as 1. Check 1 given. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now if n is minus 2 plus 2 which cat 12 minus lambda divided by is equal to cross multiply panikla directly. So n is root 40 plus 2 minus lambda whole square. Squaring on both sides a square minus 24 lambda 40 a square plus b square minus 4 lambda. So this cancel. So tell me here. So 24 lambda means 20 lambda. So 44 is equal to 100 sir. Yes or no? Is he equal to 100 or not? Wonderful. So lambda is equal to 5 sir. Lambda value 5. That's it. Check. How simple it is. How simple it is. Very chupku chintu question. Any doubts? Yes. So hope you understood this. Now we'll move forward. Right? Chalo. So yeah. Do this. So in a triangle ABC, if BC is equal to 3, CA is equal to 5, BA is equal to 7, then the projection of vector BA on BC is what? Guys, concept is same, the concept is same, but you just have to understand one thing here. Here beautiful logic I am going to apply. Okay, beautiful logic I am going to apply. What is that logic is all about, sir? Sir, in a triangle ABC, sir, BC vande they have given BC and sir BC they have given 3 sir. So let me take this as 3. So let me take this as 3. So firstly let me write, okay. So this is 3 sir. They have given this as 3. Okay, fine, BC is 3, and the projection of BA on BC, projection of BA and BC is what? So ठीक है, now what is the formula? BA projection BA vector dot BC vector divided by magnitude of BC. Yes or no? So now BA, how do you write this? Magnitude of BA dot magnitude of BC. A dot B formula I'm applying. Appo enna savarum? Cos theta. Yes or no? BA on BC. So angle enna sir? B. Yes or no? Cos theta. Yes or no, people? Are you getting the point or not? Me? Yes or no? Cos B basically. Cos B here. At B only angle is forming, right? So ivaroda projection on this na babu. So B angle there forming. So magnitude of BC. Yes or no? So BC will be cancelled, sir. Yes or no? Yes or no? Absolutely. BA value, what is they have given? BA, sir, 7. Magnitude of BA is 7, sir. Sir, now cos B is what? Basically cosine rule apply panikkalama. What is cosine rule? What is the cosine rule? So cos B can be written as A square plus C square minus B square by 2 times of AC. What is this? AC is what? Basically this is here above. This is small a, this is small b, this is small c. Okay, wow. Yes or no? A side का opposite का side है ना A, B vertex का A vertex का opposite side is small a, B vertex का opposite side है ना small b, C vertex का opposite side है ना small c. அது போட்ட என்ன வரும்? 7 into A square, which is 9, plus C square 49, wow, minus B square 25, wonderful. So 2 times of A into C. Any doubts? Tell me that, Chintu. Yes sir. 7 ones, 7 sevens, otherwise we will calculate this and then cancel it, sir. So tell me now. So 7 into 58. Yes or no? 58. So 33 will come. So 33. So 58 minus 25. 58 minus 25. Yeah. 33 divided by, so 2 into 9 into 49, sir. So 2 into 9 into 49. So 7 ones, 7 sevens, 3 threes, 3 11s. So 11 by 70. What is the answer? Check. 11 by 2. What I need here? Did I miss any calculation? Nine plus 49 minus 25 by 2 AC, right? 2 AC, sorry. 2 AC. AC. Oh, AC means what? Basically, A is, here 7 will come. Here 7 will come. Check. Here 7 will come. So 7 ushkak. 7 ushkak. Then this will be koncham different, sir. Here. This will be koncham different. So what is this? 7 into. So 49. 58 minus 35. 58 minus 25 is basically 33, sir. 33 by, that's it. 33 divided by 18. So tell me here. 7 cancel. So 3 11s by 3 6. 11 by 6. Option 11 by 6 or 11 by 2. 11 by 6 or 11 by 2. Tell me 2 AC, C is 7, na? 2, A is 3 here then. A is 3 here. Yes. So 3 pota 7 cancel, sir. 38 by 3. So 38 by 3. So 33 by 6. So 11 by 2. 11 by 2 option C. C is the right answer. Any doubts? Yes or no? So calculation you have to do a bit carefully. So tell me, any doubts here? Very simple, direct question, but the only thing is cosine rule we are applying. Simple. Next, guys, that is what the dot product is all about. You don't get any more difficult question than this. So in dot product, so they might ask dot and cross product, combination they might ask, but only based on the dot product and projection. So that is what the concept is all about. Now cross product, sir, cross product means basically magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta into n cap. Yes or no? N cap. Sir, n cap is what's basically here. That represents unit vector. It gives the point. N cap is what? Unit vector. Right? Sir, now I'll just see one question. You will understand. How do we find out A cross B? We just need to write 𝐼𝐽𝐘 and then A components and B components. So we need to find out determinant of that. And see, very important properties. All these are extremely important. A cross B generally, A cross B in general we can write it as minus B cross A, sir. So MA into NB is what basically MN A cross B. Purida. Now A cross B plus or minus C. So basically it is distributive. A cross B plus or minus A cross C. Yes or no? The same way B plus or minus C also you can do the same with cross product of A. So if A is parallel to beta, then A cross B is going to be 0. Very important property. If A is parallel to B, cross product of two vectors is going to be what? 0, na? Yes, sir. Now here few more important property 𝐼𝑗𝑘, 𝑗𝑘𝑖, 𝑘𝑖𝑗. You understand? I cross I, J cross J, K cross K is going to be anyway 0. So vector product is not associative. Vector product is not associative in general. Associative means what is basically A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Very important. So if any vector perpendicular to A and B can be written as this. Guys, you remember I was talking about the same point. If a C vector, one question we got, C vector was perpendicular to A cross B and B. That is what the concept we have discussed. And the concept in the formula applied. So in the formula that we have applied. So any vector perpendicular to A and B means lambda times of A cross B. Purida, we solved one question in fact, based on this property. So unit vector perpendicular to A and B is what basically. So we need to write plus or minus A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. It is a plus or minus. It could be this direction or this direction. Are you getting the point? So it could be this or this. So two directions plus minus. So that is the reason plus or minus. Any doubts? Any doubts? See, these are the simple properties you all have to remember. Next, now we'll see one question based on this. As a simple question again. Again, concept is based on projection only, but cross product is involved. Sir, how do I deal with this? Sir, 3 minus 1, 2 given, right? So what is A vector? A vector is basically 3 minus 1, 2, sir. B vector is what, sir? Firstly, B vector will solve it. What is B vector here? B is A cross I minus 2j. A cross I minus 2k, sorry. Cool. Sir, what is B now? B is going to be what now? Tell me. B vector is going to be, firstly, let us find out the determinant. So A vector, sir. A vector is 3 minus 1, 2, and then 1, 0, minus 2. So this careful panna enna sa varum, this careful pananu appo enna sa varum 2. So yeah, 2 times of I 0 2 minus j means what? 8 dana varum minus 8 minus plus, and then k value is plus 1. Yes or no? Are you getting the point or not, babu? Plus 1 check. 281 the varum check. 281 means what? 2 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 1 k cap. Are you all understanding? Yes, sir. Now, this is sir B vector. So C vector is what, sir? B vandirchu. Appo C enna? C panradhukku tell me. B cross K. B cross first row will be 𝐼𝑗𝑘. B enna, sir? 281. K enna, sir? K means 0 0 1 here. K component alone idiki. So suppose 0 0 1 dana. So C vector enna? This taka panna 8. First one the 8. Then first one the 8, then 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 na? 8 minus 2, yeah, 8, check 8, then 2, in fact minus 2, then 0, yeah, 8 comma minus 2 is the C component, I mean C vector. So the projection of C minus 2j, on A vector, so projection. Let me write projection. Projection is what, sir? What is the projection, sir? What is the projection? Projection. Let me write projection. Projection means what? C minus 2j dot A by magnitude of magnitude of A. This is what we need to do. C minus 2j is what, sir? C minus C vector minus 2j cap. So tell me, so 8 8 minus 4 or not will be? See, is a j component only. So 8 minus 4. Check. 8 minus 4 or not? 8 minus 4. So this is going to be 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 dot A. Yes or no? 8 I cap minus 4j cap into dot of A is what? 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by magnitude of A. Magnitude of A na sir. So 9 plus 1 plus 4 with a square root. Yes or no? Dot product. Tell me what is the dot product. So 24 plus 4 plus 0 divided by root 14. So root 28 by 14. Root 28 by 14. So which is 2 root 14. Right? Let me write here. So 28 by 14. So let me write this as what? 14. 14 means 14 root 2. So 2 root 14. Any doubts? 2 root 14. Correct? 2 root 14. Can you all see this? You can't see the screen, right? 1 second. 2 root 14. 2 root 14. Can you see now? Yes, sir. Cool. Option D. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubts? Tell me. So very simple. All the questions are quite simple. Fully direct formula based. Now we'll do one more question. See. So A vector is this. A vector is this. And B vector is this. Then the square of the projection of A and B. See how many questions we are solving on projection itself. Are you getting the point? So projection concept is very simple. So you all have to understand one thing. See, lot of questions will be as innocent as possible. You just need to see what are the easiest questions I have from old paper, from the 25 math questions. In the questions easy, so on the question pick up and first solve. Purida. So we will be getting lot of easy questions. So the only thing is you need to identify what kind of question is that. Then after that simple. Sir, firstly the square of projection of A and B. We need to find out projection or a square. Firstly B vector solve. Firstly we will solve, let us write A vector and not 2, 1, minus 1. So B vector solve first B vector solve for B vector, what I am doing for B vector, firstly A cross I plus J panla. Firstly A cross I plus J. Okay, this is A vector. First row is I, J, K, and A vector is what? 2, 1, minus 1, and I plus J, right? 1, 1, 0. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Sir, if this is I plus J. So let me write directly. So 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, check. Yes or no? So 1, minus 1 and 1. I am just directly doing it. 1 and minus A means 0 plus 1. Yes, correct only. Okay, next answer. Next what I am going to do, A cross I plus J. A cross I plus J cross I. So let me write here. So next A vector cross I cap plus J cap cross I cap. Okay, so we got this answer is what? 1 minus 1 1. So first I J K as it is. This first 1 minus 1 1. I components 1 0 0. So this 0 0. So J plus K, J plus K, 1 comma 1. Check J plus K only varu. J plus K da varu. Yes or no? Guys, 1 comma 1 is nothing but J. See, firstly J plus K means 0 comma 1 comma 1 basically. Yes or no? J plus K means 0. J coefficient is sir. So minus 1 minus 1 is plus K. Yeah, correct one. Yes or no? So one last time. Either cross I again. Check. Either cross I. Yes or no? The entire bracket I got. This entire bracket I got. You will answer with cross product. Okay. So A cross I plus J cross I. Close this cross I. Simple. So tell me, firstly I, J, k, answer 0 1 1 and I component, so 1 0 0. இது பண்ண என்ன சார், first 0 first 0 first 0, so j minus k தானா, so 0 1 minus 1 check. எப்படி சார், you think, see 0 here minus j, so minus of minus plus, so k means what, yeah minus 1, correct only. Check cross product I am doing, so 0 I cap plus j cap minus k cap இப்படி வந்துருச்சு சார். So projection of a and b formula என்ன சார், அப்போ b vector என்ன சார், b vector, then for b vector is going to be what, b vector is going to be 0 1 minus 1. So projection is what, projection is what, a dot b by magnitude of b. So a dot b is what, a 0 1 plus 1, so 2, yes or no, 1 plus 1 2 divided by magnitude of this, so root 2 means what, 1 by I mean in fact root 2, so square is what, basically 2, c for chin 2 is the answer, check. Yes or no, square they are asking, square of the projection which is 2, so option C. Any doubts, how simple it is, direct questions ra babu, lot of questions they are asking directly. We'll move forward. Okay, next you see this again, a vector b vector such that c dot b. Guys, I'll just give you a hint and then rest of the question you need to do. This is 2023 JEE question da. See, a vector this sir, b vector this sir, c is a vector such that this dot this plus 25. Fine, let me do like this. Let me start and then will rest of the calculation leave it to you and will give a hint to do and then rest of the question நீங்க தான் பண்ணணும், சரியா. 4 3 sir, அப்போ b என்ன சார், 3 minus 4 5 sir, okay right. c is a vector such that இது, அப்போ இது என்ன சார், what is the meaning of this sir, என்ன சார் இதோட மீனிங் என்ன, என்னன்னா box CAB is equal to 25, box CAB is equal to minus 25, sorry minus 25. Guys, இது வந்து box product da, C dot A cross B nas box CAB தானா, yes or no, is equal to minus 25. Now they have given C into I plus J plus K they have given. So எனக்கு C vector தெரியாது sir, let us take C vector as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap இப்படி எடுக்கலாமா C vector, yes sir. அப்போ இவரோட box 25 given, so you find out box and find out C vector box. See, I'll tell you guys, you open the box and solve with this. You open the box, எனக்கு ஒரு equation வரும் சார், and இது C dot ijk பண்ணா இன்னொரு equation வரும் சார், yes or no. Projection of, they have given this, projection of C on A is equal to 1. If I do that, I'll get one more equation. So 3 unknowns, for 3 unknowns 3 equations, and the 3 equations solve பண்ணா எனக்கு answer வந்துரும். So you need to do by yourself, do it by your own. Are you getting the point? Do it by your own, yes or no. You can take it as a homework, simply write it as homework. What is this? Homework. I am giving it as a homework. HW wala question, HW means homework, right? Yes sir. Now look at the board, you understand guys. See, if you do this, if I open this, you will get one equation da, இது பண்ணா இன்னொரு equation வரும், projection of A on, I mean C on A பண்ணா இன்னொரு equation வரும். So 3 unknowns க்கு 3 equations, அப்போ C vector வந்துரும். C vector வந்துச்சுனா projection of C on B பண்ணணும், simple question. Okay, 2 times projection concept is got involved here, 2 times in the projection concept நீங்க apply பண்ணணும், சரியா, right sir. Next one more beautiful property, Lagrange's identity. Sir, the Lagrange's identity is what sir? Lagrange's identity is all about what? Lagrange's identity, I tell you beautiful logic to remember this. Magnitude of A cross B whole square is equal to C. Let me write here, I'll write and show it to you guys. Listen, you need to draw 2 by 2, determine it like this. So you write A, so yeah, next B, purida. Now with A vector, A one time, B one time, yes or no. With B vector, A one time, B vector, B one time. அவ்வளோதான் முடிஞ்சு. See, you write A, B, B. அப்போ A கிட்ட A கிட்ட B, B கிட்ட A, B கிட்ட B. அவ்வளோதான் முடிஞ்சு. அது ஓப்பன் பண்ணால் எனக்கு இந்த ரிசல்ட் வரும். இந்த டிட்டர்மினன்ட் கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட், இந்த கிராஸ், if I cross multiply பண்ணி determinant open பண்ணா இந்த ரிசல்ட் வந்துரும். Yes or no? How simple it is to remember, guys? Tell me, what is this not living? Magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square minus A dot B. A dot B into B dot A both are same. So A dot B whole square. Idana sir, magnitude of A cross B whole square of formula. Yes or no? So yeah. Are you getting the point? So now here basically the general use, when do we use the dot product set? To find out length, to find out projection and angle between two vectors. Dot product in general we use to find out length, projection and the angle between two vectors. Cross product is, sir, to find out the area and the perpendicular vector. To find out the area and the perpendicular vector find out பண்றதுக்கு we use cross product in general. Any doubts? Any doubts? So yes sir. So this property is very important. You need to remember this. Magnitude of A cross B whole square, sir. Magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square minus A dot B whole square. Right? Next, or question solve pannalama? Yes sir. Everybody read this question. Sir, let A is equal to I minus J plus 2k and B be the vector such that A cross B is equal to 2I minus k and A dot B is equal to 3. Then the projection of B on the vector A minus B is dash, right? So I'll tell you one thing. How do we do this? A vector is given as 1 minus 1 2 sir. Yeah. So let B be a vector such that A cross B is equal to this. A cross B என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2 0 minus 1, right? So A dot B is equal to 3 given to us. Sir, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும் sir? Lagrange's property பாருங்க. Lagrange's identity. We'll use this. இந்த result use பண்ணிக்கலாமா? A cross B whole square with modulus, I mean with magnitude is equal to magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square minus A dot B whole square. Right? So இப்போ என்ன சார் பண்ணணும்? எனக்கு magnitude of A cross B whole square என்ன? Can I write like this? Plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is equal to magnitude of A square into B square. Do you agree? Yes or no? So magnitude of A cross B is what? What is the magnitude of A cross B here? What is the magnitude of A cross B? Tell me. What is the magnitude? 4 plus 1, which is root 5. Yes or no? So this is root 5 plus A dot B whole square. What is A dot B? 3. So A dot B whole square is 9 here. You understand? Is equal to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. So magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square is equal to 14 sir. Any doubt? Yes or no? 14. So you tell me what is magnitude of B square now? What is magnitude of B square now? Sir, what is magnitude of A square here? What is magnitude of A square here? What is the magnitude of A square? So let us find out magnitude of A, which is equal to root 6. Yes or no? 1 plus 1 plus 4. So magnitude of A square I am going to substitute here, which is going to be 6 into magnitude of B square is equal to 14. So magnitude of B is equal to what? Root 14 by 6. Do you agree? Or else I can cancel like this. What is the cancellation? So magnitude of B square is equal to 7 by 3. இப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes or no? So magnitude of B is equal to root 7 by 3. Root 7 by 3. In fact, whole root. You understand, people? You understand? Yes sir. So whole root 7 by 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now, so what I need to find out, sir? Magnitude of B square we got. I need to find out projection of B on the vector A minus B, right? So we need to find out to find. What is to find? Projection of B on A minus B, right? So B on A minus B. So I can write like this. So look, right? Let me just say this. To find B on the vector A minus B. So B dot A minus B divided by magnitude of A minus B. Right or not? Yes sir. Sir, now what is A minus B, sir? What is A minus B here? What is A minus B is going to be? I do not know how do you find out A minus B now. So for that I'll do one thing. So let me go to the next slide. So we know that, what I know sir, magnitude of A minus B whole square is equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus 2 A dot B. Yes or no? Yes sir. Sir, now if I define magnitude of A minus B, sir, that is equal to what sir? So square root of magnitude of A square. Square root of magnitude of A square is what sir? 6. Magnitude of B square is what sir? 7 by 3. Yes or no people? Minus 2 times of A dot B. So magnitude of A minus B is equal to, so 6 will be cancelled, root 7 by 3. Wonderful? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now what I need to find out? So I need to find out this projection. Projection is what? B dot A minus B. B dot A minus B. What is B vector sir? Theriyadu sir. Now B vector B vector we got something like root 7 by 6 B square. Yes or no? So B is going to be what to be now? B is going to be, let me substitute here. So B was this, so I'll put B dot this, right? So what I'm going to get, tell me now. Are you all getting the point people? So see, basically firstly B dot A minus B we have, divided by magnitude of A minus B. Sir, we need to do dot product here, which is A dot B minus B magnitude of B whole square. Yes or no? Minus A dot B with the magnitude. Any doubt sir? Yes sir. So what is A dot B sir? Which is 3 sir, minus magnitude of B square. What is the magnitude of B square? Magnitude of B square is this actually. This is what the magnitude of B square. We don't need B actually. Guys, are you getting the point? Yes sir. So magnitude of B square is what sir? 7 by 3 sir. 7 by 3 all divided by magnitude of A minus B, which is root 7 by 3. Till this any doubt? Till this any doubt? Till this any doubt Babu? Yes sir. Sir, now tell me here 2 by 3 and root 7 by 3. So into root 3 by root 7. This will be cancelled. So 2 divided by root 21. 2 divided by root 21. Any doubts? 2 divided by root 21 is the answer. So we'll see which option is correct. So 2 divided by option A for Agra is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes sir. So we just need to understand the Lagrange's property is what? After that I need A minus B with magnitude. So I used this property and then I just ultimately got the answer. Projection. What is the projection answer? 2 by root 21 is the answer. Next question. Next question Polama. Yes sir. So now everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. What is this? Sir, in the question firstly, so A vector and B vector and C, 3 vectors such that this A dot C is equal to this, C dot this vector is equal to 5, then C dot ijk is what sir? Sir, firstly I will start from this. This is very simple here, tell me. A cross C is equal to A cross B. Now can I write A cross C minus A cross B is equal to 0. You agree guys? You agree? Yes or no? Sir, now if this is the case, now can I write this as A cross A cross C minus B? Yes or no? Can I write A cross C minus B is equal to 0? I just shifted this side, so this can be written as A cross C minus B is equal to 0. Sir, when cross product is equal to 0, sir, when cross product is equal to 0, these two vectors are parallel to each other, sir. Can we say these two are parallel to each other? So I have one doubt. Sir, here basically A vector. Now can we say now this cross product of these two is equal to 0 is nothing but can A vector can be 0 here? Can A vector be 0? 100% not. Why? Because that is not possible. Here check. A vector வந்து 6, 9, 12 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ எப்படி 0 ஆயிருடா? A cannot be 0 here. புரியுதா? So can I say C minus B is equal to 0? இப்படி இருக்கலாமா? If A 0, C minus can be 0, right? Is there any possibility like that? Is there any possibility like that? No. So now if C minus B is equal to 0, C is equal to B ஆகணும். B வந்து இப்படி இருக்கு பாரு. Yes or no? So this also should not be equal to 0. Now the only possibility I have is that, so this cross this is equal to 0 is nothing but, so can I write C minus B is equal to lambda times of A vector. Can you write like this? So C vector is what? B vector plus lambda times of A vector. Any doubts? So what is C here now? It will be, what is C vector? So we don't know C vector. Let me take now A dot C is equal to minus 2 given, sir. Now C vector I do not know. Now C vector is basically B plus lambda A. What is B given? B is what? Alpha 11 minus 2, sir, plus lambda times of A. A is what, sir? 6, 9, 12. So C vector is what basically? So alpha plus 6 lambda, 9 plus 9 lambda, minus 2 plus 12 lambda. You understand? This is a C vector. So C B vector such that this is equal to this, A dot C is equal to 12. C vector I got, sir, given A dot C is equal to 12, sir. அப்போ A க்கு C க்கு dot product பண்ணலாமா? பாரு இதென்ன sir? 6 times of alpha plus 6 lambda plus 9 times of 11 plus 9 lambda plus 12 times of minus 2 plus 12 lambda is equal to 12. You understand? Yes or no, people? Yes, sir. This is minus 12, sir. This is minus 12. This is minus 12, right? So minus 12. Then what I am going to do? 6 alpha plus 36 lambda plus 99 plus 81 lambda minus 24 plus 144 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. You tell me, guys. Now what is the equation am I going to get here? So what is the equation am I going to get? So let us keep this as one equation. Next one is what, sir? C vector dot this is equal to 5 kuduthirukanga, sir. C dot I minus 2 j plus k. Yes or no? So let us use this. So I used this, and now next one what I am going to use the C vector dot C vector. What is C vector, sir? C vector dot 1 minus 2 1, sir. This is equal to 5. So now I will do dot product of C with this. So what is C here basically? So alpha plus 6 lambda minus 11 times of, in fact 2 times, right? So 2 times of 11 plus 9 lambda, right? And then 1 into minus 2 plus 12 lambda is equal to 5, sir. Now if I simplify this, what am I going to get? So I simplify பண்ணலாமா? If I simplify பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? So let me write somewhere here with a green color. Okay, so let me write somewhere here with a green color. So it will be very, very useful if you write here. Check. So alpha plus 6 lambda minus 22 minus 18 lambda minus 2 plus 12 lambda is equal to 5, sir. Now tell me, sir, you tell me here 6 lambda 12 lambda is 18 lambda, sir. Minus 18 lambda plus 18 lambda cancelled, sir. Sir, here minus 2 minus 20 minus 24 minus 29. I mean minus 24 goes that side, so that becomes 29. So I got alpha value as what, sir? I got alpha value as 29. Alpha is 29 Raj into, yes, sir. Now tell me alpha value 29. So alpha value inga pota enna varum? If I put alpha value in the one equation number 1, I will be end up getting lambda value. I'll be getting what? I'll be getting lambda value. So guys, you do that carefully. If I just substitute this alpha value in the equation number 1, enakku lambda value vandrum, sir. So lambda value I'll write directly here, sir. So from the first equation lambda value minus 1 vandrum kandipa. Neenga careful ah paranum, lambda value will be minus 1, sir. For lambda value minus 1 on the what is C vector is going to be? Now tell me what is the C vector is going to be. So C vector, let me write here, sir, C vector. So C vector let me write here. So let me write here. So otherwise let us write in the next slide, no problem. So so minus 1 is the lambda value and 29 is the alpha value. Yes or no, people? So alpha value, if you put in the equation number 1, lambda value minus 1. So C vector is going to be what? Tell me. Let me write C vector in this green color. Megham. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now look at the board, sir. Look at the board, sir. Minus 1 means what basically? 29 minus 6, 23. 23, 29 minus 6, 23, 9, 11 minus 9 which is 2 and then minus 1, so minus 14. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? 23, 2 minus 14, 23, 2 minus 14. Then I need to do C dot this. C dot this means what? Directly let us write here. Let us write here. Let me write the answer here directly. Let me write the answer here directly. So 23 plus 2, 23 plus 2, C dot this minus 14. 23 plus 2 minus 14, sir. Sir, here you tell me 25 minus 14, 25 minus 14 which is 11, sir. So 11 should be the answer. Any doubt? How simple it is? How simple it is? 11 should be the answer, Babu. You understand? I got alpha value 29, alpha value equation number 1 la pota, lambda value 1 minus 1. So in the lambda value minus 1 this is a C vector, it is a C dot in the vector. Apo 23 into 1, 2 into 1, minus 14 into 1. Adi pota 11 is the answer. Right? Yes sir. Wonderful. Yes or no? Yes sir. We'll move forward now. We'll move forward. We'll move forward. Right? So yes. What is this? A vector is this, B vector is this, B2 vector such that magnitude of A is 1, A dot B is 2, magnitude of B is 4, C is equal to 2 times of A cross B minus 3 times of B vector, then the angle between B and C is equal to dash. What is the angle between B and C? So this is one of the beautiful question, guys. So you need to tackle and solve this very carefully. First, how do I start? How do I start first? Firstly, let us start from this. Given A vector, not A vector, sorry, C vector. So C vector, so 2 times of A cross B minus 3 times of B vector. You understand? Yes sir. Sir, I have one doubt. So now I need to find out acute angle between, angle between B and C. Angle between B and C is what, sir? Let me write the requirement here. What is the requirement? Angle between B and C. So we need cos theta, right? Cos theta B dot A by magnitude of B into magnitude of A. This is what the requirement here. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Yes or no, tell me. A dot B, so B dot C, right? So B dot C, not B dot A, B dot C divided by B dot C. Cool. This is what the cos theta is all about. Now I will do one thing, dot product with A on both sides. Dot product with A on both sides. Let us do dot product with A on both sides. Why, sir? Because I know, I do not know A vector and B vector. If I do not know A vector and B vector, definitely C vector varadu. Yes or no? So now we just have to do something here. Something interesting paranu. Yenna sir paranu. C vector kutrikanga sir. Let us take dot product with A on both sides. So dot product with A on both sides. Guys, dot product with A on both sides, what I am going to get here? A minus yes or no? Is that clear? Is that clear? So tell me now here, C dot A. This is going to be 0 minus 3 times of what, sir? 3 times of what, sir? A dot B is what, sir? A dot B, they have given us 2, sir. So C dot A is equal to minus 6 I got. Keep it aside. Consider this as equation number 1. Consider this as equation number 1. Or else no problem, let it be as it is. So now taking dot product with B on both sides. Now from this dot product with B on both sides, if I do, what I am going to get, sir? So C dot B is equal to 2 times of A cross B dot B minus yes or no? Then what is this going to be? Tell me. What is this going to be? What is this going to be? 0 B dot B is what, sir? B dot B which is magnitude of B square. Magnitude of B is what, sir? 4. So this is going to be 0 minus 3 4 square. So C dot B is equal to minus 48, sir. Minus 48. Yes or no? Minus 48. Sir, fine. Now I'll do one thing, sir. I'll do one thing. Now I got this. But now C dot A I got, C dot B I got. Fine. C dot B fine. Very good. Now, one more result I want. But what is magnitude of B? How do you find out that? For that we really need to find out B vector, right? So for that I'll do one thing. Look, so this is my star equation. Let us consider star equation. Now can I do squaring on both sides? If I do squaring on both sides, what I am going to get, sir? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, what I am going to get, sir? Magnitude of C square. Okay, so A minus B whole square apo A square. Check magnitude of C square. The A minus B mari whole square. A minus B whole square means what? Sir, 4 A cross B whole square plus 9 magnitude of B square minus 2AB. 4 and 12 times of A cross B dot B. Any doubts? Tell me. So what is A cross B whole square, sir? What is A cross B whole square, sir? So now let us keep this as 0. Let us keep this as 0. Why, sir? That is obviously that is going to be box ABB. If two vectors are same, determinant of if two vectors are same, the determinant is going to be 0 or not? Tell me. The determinant is going to be 0 or not, guys? Tell me. Yes, sir. Sir, now I got magnitude of C square. So can we apply Lagrange's identity here? Can we apply Lagrange's identity? Do you agree? Yes or no? Yes, sir. What is Lagrange's identity, sir? What is what is the Lagrange's identity? So can I write this as magnitude of A square magnitude of B vector square minus A dot B whole square. Check. Plus 9 times of magnitude of B square. Any doubts? Do you agree? Do you agree, people? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now if I simplify this, what am I going to get? After this, we should be able to get the answer comfortably. So magnitude of A is what, sir? Magnitude of A is 1, sir. Magnitude of B is what, sir? 4, sir. So 1 into 4, 4, sir. Minus A dot B, B given, sir. So 4, sir. Any doubts? 4 square, sorry. 4 square means 16. So minus 48 I am getting. Correct? Yes or no? 48. Sir, I have one doubt. Here 4 outside we have 4 minus magnitude of B square 4. Sorry, here 16 will come na. Check here. This 1, sir. This magnitude of B is 4, sir. B square is 16, sir. Minus A dot B whole square is 4, sir. So this is going to be 48. Magnitude of C square is going to be what? 48. You understand? Plus 9 times of B square, which is 16. Yes or no, people? Just be careful here. 16. So magnitude of C square is what? 12. 48 plus 144. 48 plus 144. Tell me. 192. Yes, sir. So this is going to be, let me write somewhere here. So what is magnitude of C square now? 192, sir. Yes or no? 192 or not? Yes, sir. Now after this, what we got now? That's it. We got B. Let me write here directly. B dot C. B dot C is what's a minus 48, sir. And divided by magnitude of B. Magnitude of B, which is 4. And magnitude of C is what, sir? Square root of 192, sir. That's it. Answer 1. So minus how do you solve this? 4 1s, 4 12s. So minus 12 divided by square root of square root of 190, how do you break? Square root of 190, how do you break? 8 root 3 into 4. 8 root 3 into 4 or not? Do you agree? 8 root 3 into 4. 8 root 3 into 4 we have that. So 4 ones 4. So 8 root 3. Can I write 8 root 3? 8 root 3. So tell me, how do I write this? Minus 4 3's 2 root 3. This will be cancelled. And then minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. So option D is the answer. Any doubt? So cos theta is this, Babu. Theta is cos inverse of this. Option D for Delhi is the right answer. Any doubts? Check. I just wanted to write everything in one slide so that you all can see what I am writing clearly. Purida, everybody have a look at this. Here dot product with A, sir. Here dot product with A, and here dot product with B. I did dot product with B here. You understand or not, people? So yeah, so I got two equations like this, and after getting two equations, I just did squaring on both sides to the star equation. I'll end up getting this. From that Lagrange's identity I used, and magnitude of C square ಒಂದು 192 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. அப்போ magnitude of C தெரியும் ಸರ್, and magnitude of B தெரியும் ಸರ್. cos theta is sir minus root 3 by 2. Theta is cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Wonderful. Next question போலாமா? Yes sir. Look, so yeah, option D for Delhi Baba is matching. Cool? Yes. Now so A vector is this, B vector is this, C vector is this, and D be a vector such that this A dot D is equal to 4, then magnitude of A cross D whole square is what, sir? Sir, same property I am going to apply here. Same property in the sense, same logic I am going to apply. So what is the logic, sir? What they have given here? Given B cross D minus C cross D is equal to 0. You agree? You agree? Yes or no? So how do I write now? Tell me here. How do I write? So now can I write D cross? Can I write this as D cross B minus C is equal to 0, sir? Can I write like that? D cross B minus C is equal to 0. Fantastic. Yes or no? So now D is parallel to B minus C. So D is parallel to B minus C. So can I write D? When A cross B is equal to 0, then A will be parallel to B vector. We can say like that, right? So now tell me D vector is equal to lambda times of B minus C, sir. Appo enna savandru? So D vector is equal to lambda times of B minus C. B minus C is nothing but 3 minus 2 1, and minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 1. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Yes sir. Sir, now also they have given that A dot D is equal to 4, sir. Appo here D vandirchi, A dot D is equal to what, sir? Given A dot D is equal to 4, sir. So D vector vandirchi, A vector theriyum, sir. So A dot D 4. A dot D means what? What is A vector here? So D vector. So 1. A vector is basically 1 2 1, sir. D vector is this, sir. So A dot D is equal to, so lambda into 1, sir, lambda minus 4 lambda, lambda plus 1 lambda, sir, is equal to 4, sir. So tell me here, so 2 lambda minus 2 lambda is equal to 4, so lambda is equal to minus 2, lambda is equal to minus 2. Then what is D vector is going to be? Now tell me, what is D vector is going to be? Minus 2 4 and then minus 2. D vector is what? Minus 2 4 minus 2. You understand? This is what the D vector is all about. This is what the D vector is all about. You understand, people? Yes sir. Now what I need, sir? I need A cross D whole square with a magnitude. What I know here, we know that Lagrange's identity again. What is that, sir? A cross D whole square can be written as what, sir? So we know that magnitude of A cross magnitude of D whole square is equal to what, sir? Is equal to what, sir? Is equal to magnitude of A square to magnitude of D square minus A dot D square. Any doubts? Any doubts? Cool, sir. Fine, sir. We got everything. Now tell me here, what is this basically? Magnitude of A square. What is that? Magnitude of A square, sir? So magnitude of A square means this is A vector. Magnitude of A is what, sir? magnitude of A is basically root 6, sir. Yes or no? So this is going to be 6. Magnitude of D is what, sir? Magnitude of D vector is going to be 4 plus 16 plus 4, sir, root 24, sir. So which is 24 here. Any doubts? Minus A dot D. Minus A dot D is what, sir? 4. So 4 square, which is 16. Yes or no? Which is 16. So 144 minus 16. 144 minus 16. So which is 128. This should be your answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, sir. So where is the question? What was the question? This was the question, right? So yeah, this was the question. Then what is A cross D here? We got this as 128. You understand, people? We got this as what? 128. Right? Answer வந்து 128. This is the final answer. Cool? So next question bolama? Yes, sir. So yeah. Next question ku munadi we'll do one thing. Geometrical significance of cross product. Geometrical significance of cross product. So geometrically, where do we use this cross product, sir? To find out area of the parallelogram. In fact, area of the quadrilaterals. Area of the parallelogram is what, sir? Basically, if I have two adjacent sides are like this, A vector, sir, B vector, sir. So area of parallelogram is simply going to be cross product of the two adjacent vectors, which is A vector and B vector. As simple as that, right? So A cross B is a vector area of parallelogram OABC. As simple as that, right? Very important property and very simple property. Now area of the parallelogram when diagonals given, sir, half into magnitude of D1 cross D2 paranu, sir. You already have studied this, very important. And now see, vector along sides of a triangle. Vector along sides of the triangle are given. When the sides given are like this, A vector and B vector, so area and iron, sir, half into magnitude of A cross B iron. Very simple. So remember all these formulas, very very important. Now when position vectors of the vertices are given, so instead of giving like this, if they are giving position vectors of the vertices like A vector or a position vector A, and vertex A got a position vector in A, B B vector, C C vector. And what is this going to be, sir? What is the position of BC here? So position of CB is what? B minus C. And the position of this is what? A minus C. Upon cross product with half into cross product of these two. Panna idu varum sir enakku. A B B C C A. A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A vandrum. Any doubts? When when vertices or a position vector is given to us, area of the triangle is going to be what, sir? Half with the magnitude A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Very simple. So we are not going to get into the proof, so we'll focus more on the questions. Let's see, sir, what kind of question we are going to solve now. A vector, B vector, C vector. A, B, C and D, lambda is less than or equal to 5, sir. With the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD, its area 18 units, 18 square units, then 5 minus this is equal to what, sir? Sir, basically this is a quadrilateral ABCD, right? So quadrilateral given to us, sir. Any quadrilateral, I'll tell you one thing. What is the area of the quadrilateral, sir? You have not taught us. Listen to me, boys and girls. Enna pananu, sir? In the formula, we have this formula, right? Half into magnitude of D1 cross D2 we have, correct? So see, when area of the parallelogram they have asked with diagonals given to us. When diagonals given, they are asking for the area of the parallelogram. Half into magnitude of D1 cross D2. Sir, this formula is going to work for any quadrilateral. This formula is going to work for every quadrilateral. Ella quadrilateral in the formula apply panikla. See, if I am finding the area having diagonals in mind, then we can use this formula always. In the question given, check. So we need to find out area of the quadrilateral. So let me do one thing. Let me draw one simple diagram like this. This is quadrilateral. So what kind of quadrilateral is this? A, B, C, D quadrilateral. So let's say A, B, C, D. Right? So A, B, C, D quadrilateral means I can find out diagonals. What is the formula? Area venuna half into cross product of BD vector and BD and vector and AC vector. Correct or not? Tell me. BD vector and AC vector, this is equal to 18 they have given, Rababu. So BD vector means what? Position of D minus. Let me find out B Let me find out first. Look at the board, everyone. Can I write this as BD vector in cross AC vector is equal to 36? Half will be multiplied on the right hand side. So BD cross AC, eppadi sir parano? BD means what, sir? I'll do one thing first. I'll find out BD vector here. What is BD? BD vector is what? Position of D minus position of A. So D minus B. So 4 plus 4, 8, sir. 5 minus 0, 5, sir. And then 0 minus lambda, right? This is lambda. Then AC is what, sir? What is AC vector? So C minus A. So which is going to be 0, sir. 3 minus 6, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yes or no? Now what is area is going to be? Now what is firstly we'll find out magnitude of this. Cross product of this. Eppadi paranu, sir? IJK. BD enna, sir? 8, 5 minus lambda, sorry. Right? So this is 0 minus 3 minus 3. So I minus 15 minus 3 lambda minus J and minus 24 plus K minus 24, sir. Check. This is what BD cross AC. Any doubts? What is the magnitude is going to be, sir? What is the magnitude is going to be? Tell me what is the magnitude is going to be. So everything is in minus. So can I write this as 15 plus 3 lambda whole square? If I take minus common, this is what we can write. Absolutely. Purida, sir. 100%. Tell me, sir. Wow. Next, என்ன சார் பண்ணணும்? உள்ள 3 காமன் எடுக்கலாமா? Yes or no? உள்ள 3 காமன் எடுக்கலாமா? So yes. Firstly, இது okay, let it be like this. This is equal to what, sir? 36, sir. So this is equal to 36. Now squaring on both sides பண்ணா என்ன சார் வரும்? Squaring on both sides, I'll do one thing, guys. So let me do one thing. Here A square is 225, sir. Otherwise you will do one thing. Squaring on both, 3 will take common. 3 if I am taking common, 3 square will be coming outside. 9. 3 I am taking common, so what will come here? So 5 plus lambda whole square. Yes or no? Now I am taking 3 common here. So 9. So 3 into 8, 24. 8 square, which is 64, sir. Yes or no? You understand? 3 into 8 I am writing. That 3 square is what? 9 into 8 square is 64. Plus again, same story here. 9 into 64, let me write. And here let me write it as 36 whole square, right? So 36 into 36. When I am doing squaring on both sides, root will be eliminated, 36 square. So 36 square I am writing like this. Why do you write like that, sir? So I can take 9 common again. 9 4s 36, sir. Are you all understanding how are we doing? So now this expand panna enna varum. So let me go to the next slide. So 5 plus lambda whole square, which is A square plus B square plus 10 lambda plus 64 is equal to 4 into 36. So tell me here. So lambda square plus 10 lambda. So 128 plus 25, 153. Otherwise we'll do one thing. Let it be, no problem. 153 is equal to 144. Correct? 72 into 4. 72. Yes or no? 144, sir. Sir, now I'll do one thing. Lambda square plus 10 lambda minus how much, sir? 4, 9. 9 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This factorization means what, sir? What are the lambda values here? Lambda value could be minus 1. Lambda value could be minus 1 and 9. Yes or no? Minus 1 and 9, check. Yes or no? So lambda could be minus 1 and 9 means what is the condition for lambda? Modulus of lambda. Magnitude of lambda should be what? Lesser than or equal to 5, sir. So since modulus of lambda lesser than or equal to 5, lambda should be equal to 1. Yes or no? Lambda is equal to 1 da consider panano. If lambda value consider panna, enna sir vadru? What is the requirement? We need 5 minus 6 lambda, right? So 5 minus 6 lambda, 5 minus 6 into 1. So minus 1 should be the answer. Check. Minus 1 should be the answer. This is our answer. Let us check. Minus 1 or minus 11? Check. Lambda value minus 1, right? Minus 1. So minus of minus plus. So plus 11. Any doubts? Plus 11 should be the answer, not minus 1. Any doubts, people? Are you all understanding? Yes, sir. Now we'll go forward with the next question. What the next question says actually, what the next question says we'll see. Here you understand, right? Any doubt? Modulus of lambda is lesser than or equal to 5 given to us since modulus of lambda is lesser than or equal to 5, lambda should be minus 1. Yes or no? Minus 1 putta lesser than or equal to 5 javandro. So minus 1 means 11 is the answer. Next question. Sir, everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. A vector, B vector, C vector, where alpha, beta are the integers with alpha, beta is equal to minus 6. Let the values of the ordered pair this for which the area of the parallelogram, wow, of the diagonals, this and this. Diagonals given from Babu, area of the parallelogram is half into D1 cross D2, which is area of the parallelogram in this one, B, this and this. Yes or no? Ordered pair of alpha comma beta for which the area of the parallelogram with the diagonals is this, B this and this given. So alpha 1 square plus beta 1 square minus alpha 2 into beta 2 n. Yes or no? Sir, firstly I will calculate this very carefully because so much of calculation will be involved here. So area of parallelogram is what? Half into diagonal 1. What is diagonal 1? A plus B cross B cross C. Any doubts? What is area? Root 21 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, sir. 2 will be cancelled, sir, here. Yes or no? I will do one thing. Firstly, let me go with A plus B. What is A plus B, sir? What is A plus B? A vector plus B vector. A plus B. Firstly, I will do one thing. Let us just multiply with A vector. What am I going to get? Tell me, guys. When A vector, see what I am going to write here. A B, A cross B, A B plus AC plus BC plus CA. Check. This simplify pan aidana varu. Yes or no, guys? AB, BC, CA. So is equal to root 21. Now let us do one by one. So let me calculate A cross B, sir. Firstly, A cross B. What is A cross B? Tell me, sir. A cross B is 𝐼𝑗𝑘. A 2 lambda 1, sir, and B minus 1 0 1, sir, and this I into lambda minus J into, so 2 plus 1 3 plus K into lambda. So this is what basically, let me write in terms of alpha minus 3 and alpha. Yes or no? This is what our A cross B is going to be. Any doubts? This is what our A cross is going to be, people. Purida? Yes, sir. Now here, cool. So we got this. Next, now we'll do one thing. A cross C will do. A cross A, C cross A, right? A, J, K. A is what, sir? 2 lambda 1, sir. Now C, and sir, what is C? C is what? 0 beta minus 1. So what I am going to get? Tell me, I into minus lambda minus alpha minus beta minus J into what? Minus J into minus 2 plus K into 2 beta. Check. This is what A cross C is going to be. This is what A cross C is going to be. Any doubts? Any doubt, Ra Babu? Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 kb, sir. Wonderful. Now I will do one thing. Let me calculate AB, AC, BC inga panla. We'll do BC here. B cross C. B cross C is what, sir? Again I, J, K. Yes or no? Can you all see this? Yes, sir. B is what, sir? Minus 1 0 1. C is what, sir? 0 beta and 1, sir. So this calculate panna ena savandru. This calculate panna ena savandru. So this calculate panna ena savandru. Tell me, I. So I means I into minus beta minus J into minus 1, right? Minus J into minus 1 plus K k into minus beta, k into minus beta, right? Yes or no? This is what B cross C. This is what B cross C. So now summation of all this we have to do. This plus this panna, what will you get? Our magnitude is equal to root 21, sir. Our magnitude is equal to root 21, sir. Are you all getting the point? Are you all understanding or not? Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, alpha minus 3 lambda. Right? Let me go to next page. Alpha minus 3 lambda. Alpha comma minus 3 comma alpha plus minus alpha minus beta plus 2 minus alpha minus beta comma minus alpha minus beta comma 2 comma 2 beta plus what? Minus beta plus 1 minus beta plus 1 minus beta. Check. This is what we are adding. We are adding this one and this one, Rababu. Simple. I am not doing anything, rocket science here. This plus this. This add how many times alpha? How many times alpha? Alpha is going to be cancelled, sir. Alpha is going to be cancelled, sir. Check. Alpha. Pushback. Now tell me, sir. Here 1 beta minus 2 beta plus 2 beta cancel, sir. Yes, sir. Now tell me, sir, what am I going to left with? Alpha minus beta. Yes or no? Alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta then vandru. Firstly, let me write simply. Minus 3 plus alpha plus 2. So here I components are what? What are the I components? Plus 2 beta minus here minus 1 will come, I think. Check. Here minus 1 will come. So can you check properly? I dot minus beta and minus j. So minus 1 minus j into what? So minus 1 b is what, sir? B minus, yeah, correct only. So B cross C is going to be what, sir? Minus, but I am getting either 1, please check. Minus j and then C vector is what, sir? 0 beta, either minus 1, sorry, I wrote wrongly here. Here minus 1 will come. Upon this will be plus. If this is plus, this is plus. Next, let me write this as plus. Let me write that as plus, where beta minus j minus. So here minus, right? Minus. Check. So what is that going to be? Tell me here. Minus beta minus j minus beta. So that is what I am writing. If I cancel all this, what I will be left with? Tell me. What I will be left with, guys? What I will be left with? I components. What are the I components? I components are what? 2 times of beta. Guys, otherwise we'll do one thing. Let me just simply add I components. What are the I components? Tell me. I components minus beta here, minus 2 beta, correct? Minus 2 beta plus alpha, right? Minus 2 beta plus alpha, correct? Minus 2 beta plus alpha. You agree or not? Next, minus 2 beta alpha, and then see here minus beta minus alpha or alpha. So minus 2 beta da vandru direct. Minus 2 beta, that's it. Minus 2 beta. This is I component. Next, j component is what, sir? What is j component here? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4 and plus 2. Minus 4 and plus 2, minus 2, sir. So minus 2 here. Purida. Next, k components are what? Minus beta plus alpha minus beta plus 2 beta. So alpha plus beta will come, which is alpha plus beta, which is alpha plus beta. This is what we got. Any doubts? Any doubts? So now Ivroda magnitude you need to find out. Ivroda magnitude we need to find out. Yes or no? If I find out magnitude, what is the magnitude, sir? 4 beta square plus 4 plus alpha plus beta whole square. This is equal to root 21, sir. So squaring on both sides. So 4 beta square plus 4 plus a square plus b square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 21, sir. Any doubts? Yes, sir. Now tell me here. 4 beta, so 5 beta square plus alpha square, 5 beta square plus alpha square plus 2 alpha beta, and now 4, so minus 17 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So idu panna enna sa varum? So if I just look at this properly, let me deal this with properly. So alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus 4 beta square, let me write like this, 4 beta square and 1 more beta square inge sir, beta square minus 17 is equal to 0. Tell me, so these 3 terms combinedly what I am going to get? These 3 terms combinedly what I am going to get? Otherwise I'll give 4 here and let me write like this, here chuma 4 beta square, here 4 beta square, check. So now tell me here, can I write this as alpha plus beta whole square plus 4 beta square is equal to 17? Yes or no? Is equal to 17. Do you agree? Do you agree, people? Any doubts here? Sir, enakku alpha square plus 5 beta square plus 2 beta enna sir? Enakku alpha square plus 5 beta square, alpha square plus 5 beta square. Then why do we have to do all this, guys? We don't have to do this. We need alpha square plus 5 beta square only, right? We need alpha square plus 5 beta square, check. Alpha square plus 5 beta square. Alpha square plus 5 beta square. We need in the form of this. We need alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta, right? We need in the form of this. So I will do like this. Alpha square plus 5 beta square directly. So is equal to 17 minus 2 times of alpha beta. 17 minus 2 times of alpha beta. What is alpha beta we got? What is alpha beta we got? Tell me. What is alpha beta we got? Alpha beta they have given 6, check. Alpha beta they have given 6. Be careful. So alpha beta they have given 6 means what are the possible values of alpha beta now? Tell me. Alpha square plus 5 beta square 17 minus or minus, so plus 12, so plus what are the alpha beta values? 3 square 9, 2 square 4, so 4 5, yes, 3 2 will check. 3 comma 2 one possibility, minus 3 comma minus 2 one possibility, and minus 3 comma 2 one possibility, and 3 comma minus 2 one possibility. These are the possible values of alpha beta, check. Yes or no? Alpha beta, these are the possibilities, Babu. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 9 29, sir. So alpha beta given, what they have given, sir? Given alpha beta is equal to minus 6. Alpha beta is equal to minus 6. So alpha beta should be what? Not will be possible. What are the possible? Therefore alpha comma beta should be what? Product of two numbers is negative, sir. Appo one positive irukanu or negative irukanu. So minus 3 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 2. These are the possibilities. Any doubt, sir? Sir, that's it. Alpha comma beta, we got this. Now they have given this as what? They have given this as alpha 1 comma beta 1 and alpha 2 comma beta 2. Check. Alpha 1 comma beta 1 and alpha 2 comma beta 2. Alpha 2 comma beta 2. Alpha 2 comma beta 2. That's it. So alpha 1 is minus 3, beta 1 is 2. Minus 3 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 2. Check. Now what am I going to tell me? What am I going to write? So minus 3 comma 2. So my alpha minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. Check. Minus 3 idu and 2 idu minus minus 3 whole square. Let me write with red color, guys. Let me write with red color. Minus 3 whole square plus 2 square minus alpha 2. What is alpha 2, sir? What is alpha 2? 3. 3 and minus 2. Check. So this is going to be 9 plus 4 plus 6. This should be what, sir? 19 should be the answer. Any doubts? 19 should be the answer. Can you all understand? Can you all get the point what I am trying to say? A bit lengthy calculation. I won't say lengthy calculation, simple calculation only, but plus minus you have to be very aware of. You need to be careful with plus minus, guys, otherwise there is high chance that you will make a mistake. Okay, so question is the 4 lines question, but simple question, koncham lengthy, but still we can do it because the concept is simple here, nothing. So I just found the possible values of alpha and beta. So we got these are the possible values, and now I am taking alpha beta, alpha 1 beta 1, alpha 2 beta 2. So just taking these values and substitute here, you will end up getting 19 is the answer. C for chin 2. See, any doubts? Any doubts? Are you all understanding or not? Wonderful. Next question polama. Next question polama. Yes sir. Next. Basically, before getting to the next question, we'll talk about scalar triple product. What is scalar triple product, sir? What is scalar triple product? We can call this as also box bracket. Box product. See, we denote like this. This also can be written as this. Is called a scalar triple product of A, B, C. Clearly, it's a scalar value, obviously. So, yeah, if I just take a determinant of this, this is how we basically do it. Yes or no? All A components, B components, and C components. Purida. Yes or no, people? Yes, sir. Now, next, if I go with the next slide, let's see. What is there given? What is there? Magnitude of box ABC gives the volume of the parallelepiped. What is this, sir? Volume of parallelepiped whose co-initial or coterminous edges are ABC. Sir, what do you mean by coterminous edges? Coterminate edges are co-initial vectors, which is nothing but all the points will be starting from the same. See, all the vectors starting from the same point. Check. C vector, B vector, A vector. All the 3 vectors will be started from the same point. Check. Co-initial edges means same point kita 3 vectors start aganu. Purida. That's what they have given. So, that is what the meaning of that. So, the magnitude of this volume of parallelepiped is what? Magnitude. Magnitude of this is basically volume of tetrahedron. Are you getting the point? Tetrahedron volume, sir. Tetrahedron volume, I will be simply doing 1/6 times of box ABC. Is sir? What is this? Volume of tetrahedron. TH means tetrahedron. Purida. So volume of parallelepiped is what? Volume of parallelepiped is what? Box ABC. Volume of tetrahedron is 1/6 times of box ABC. Simple, 2 formulas. Volume of parallelepiped and volume of tetrahedron. So these are the 2 formulas. Hope you understood. Next. Sir, the next question let the vectors A, B, C represent the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped of volume V. Then the volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are represented by this and this and this. There are 3 edges given, sir. There are 3 edges of parallelepiped given, sir. So parallelepiped diagram, I just shown you that how this looks like. This is how the parallelepiped looks. Our volume is, sir, box ABC. So box ABC panna is our. What is box ABC is going to be, sir? How the box ABC is going to be? Tell me. How the box ABC is going to be? How the box ABC looks like? Simple, Babu. Volume is what? Box of A vector, comma B plus C vector, comma A vector plus 2B vector plus 3C vector. You agree? You agree? So what is this? Tell me now. 1. All the first one, see here A vector is what? 1. Only A vector, A comma B, 0, 0. B plus C means what, Babu? 0, 1, 1. What is this? 1, 2, 3. So can I write with box ABC? Yes or no? So if I just, you can write box ABC as, you can see, if I just open this and multiply the box ABC, you are going to get same again this one only. If I just solve this and solve this, both will be the same answer. So I am just taking A is what now? 1, 0, 0. B plus C is what? 0, 1, 1. A plus B plus C, which is 1, 2, 3. If I just multiply these two again, you will be getting the same volume. So when I simplify this, what I am going to get, tell me, this is volume Babu. Let me consider it as V. So this simplify panna enna savarum? 1 into 1 minus 3. I mean 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, sir. And matala 0 only. So and into box ABC. Into box ABC. This is equal to what, sir? Is 1. Again box ABC Babu. V only. Check. This is what is this about 1 into box ABC. We are getting box ABC only. Check again. Again what am I getting? Box ABC. So if I solve this, again I am getting V only. So answer is V. D for Delhi is the right answer. How simple it is. Are you all getting the point? Basic point. Basic point. Taka we did. Any doubts? Yes, sir. Now next question, Pola. See. Now important properties of this vector triple product. What are the important properties, sir? See, let me tell you, this is one of the very important property. A, B, B, C, C, A would box product edagana in a box ABC whole square vandrun, sir. Purida. So vector triple product is a vector quantity, obviously. So now here, see what happens here. A vector cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Purida. So obviously this is a very important result. So you might have gone through this as well. Right. Next. One more important point, guys. A unit vector coplanar with A and B and a perpendicular to C is what? Very simple. This point also you have, you might have just gone through it. See, a unit vector coplanar with A and B perpendicular to C. Coplanar with A and B and perpendicular to C means what will you write, Babu? A cross B cross C. And our unit vector. Unit vector means our magnitude we need to divide with. Yes or no? Now same thing. A cross B cross C means, so it is a vector. This is a vector which is coplanar with A and B and perpendicular to C. This is a vector coplanar with A and B and perpendicular to C. This is the vector coplanar with A and B and perpendicular to C. Yes or no? Are you getting the point or not? Are you getting the point or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now I'll tell you few more properties. Listen to me. These are also very important. This is a basic definition. This is basic definition. What is basically vector triple product? Tell me. So A cross B cross C, how do you write basically? A dot C, see dot product of the extremes, that is what I wrote here, into, see dot product of the extremes is nothing but basically, see what is the meaning of this, the A cross B cross C is nothing but, see it is a vector, this is a vector which is coplanar with A and B and perpendicular to C, that is what we have just seen. Now A cross B cross C is nothing but cross product of and dot product of first and last into the remaining vector minus, what are the remaining vector? Tell me, in the 2 dot product of these two guys into BC one, this is remaining in A vector. We can remember like that. We can prove all this very simply, but now it is not the right time to prove. We might have studied already, so that is not enough. I mean, that is quite enough to have in your mind. We don't have to go with the proof. Now, so A cross B cross C is equal to what, sir? Same dot product of the last two extremes into the remaining vector minus what now? A dot B into C. Are you getting the point? Same formula, same logic applied here. So yeah, we know this A. we already have seen this. Next, for scalar product of 4 vectors also I have given. Vector product of 4 vectors also I have given. Please go through this. This is very simple. So we don't use this in much in the JEE mains, in fact, but so still you just go through this. That is very important. Now tell me here, collinearity of the vectors. We already studied this, not required. Yes. Now next we'll see the question. Sir, if these 3 points, I mean if the points with the position vector this are collinear, then this is equal to dash. What is that? If the points with the position vectors this are collinear, they are collinear given. Sir, if they are collinear means how do you do this, sir? How do we deal with this? Collinear means how do we deal? Tell me. A, B, C. Position vectors given. A is what? Alpha 10, 13, and B vector is what, sir? 6, 11. C vector is what, sir? 9 by 2 and beta minus 8. Cool? Are you getting the point or not? Yes, sir. Sir, here basically let me write the position vector of AB. What is AB? AB vector is what? Tell me. What is AB vector? Position of B minus position of A. So 6 minus alpha, 11 minus 10 which is 1, then minus 2. 11 minus 13 is minus 2. So AB AB I got. AB means what? Position of B minus position of A. What is BC, sir? What is BC is going to be? BC means what? C minus B, sir. So 9 by 2 minus 6 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 100%. Yes, sir. Now minus beta, beta minus 11, sir. Minus 8 minus 11. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Yes, sir. Sir, here since they are parallel, sir, since they are collinear, sir, coefficients are proportionally equal. When they are collinear, their coefficients are proportionally equal. Proportionally equal is nothing but what will be here. So 6 minus alpha. 6 minus alpha by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 minus beta minus 11. So is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 8 minus 11. So tell me here. So alpha minus 6 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 19. Yes or no? So 1 by beta minus 11 is equal to 2 divided by 19. Yes or no? So tell me here, 2 alpha minus 12 into 19 is equal to 6. Check. You agree? So let me keep this as it is. So if I simplify this, what I am going to get? 38 alpha minus. Correct? Calculation, please check. Please check the calculations. I will do one thing. Instead of doing this, we can cancel it and do it. So 2 times of alpha minus 6 by 3 is equal to 2 by 19, sir. 2 to ushkak 19 alpha minus 114 is equal to 3. So alpha is equal to 117 by 19. Check. 117 by 19. Yes or no? 117. Actually, we need 19 alpha here. We need 19 alpha. 19 alpha, let us write directly. Check. 19 alpha. We need 19 alpha. So 19 alpha means what, sir? So 19 alpha. is equal to 117. We got this. Cool. Sir, I need 6 beta. 6 beta means what? 22. So 2 beta is equal to 20 41. Yes or no? Any doubts? 2 beta is equal to 41. Cool. Yes, sir. Sir, I need this 19 alpha minus 6 beta. Then can I write 19 alpha means what, sir? 117 minus 6 beta means what, sir? 3 into 2 times of beta. 41 whole square, sir. Any doubts? Whole square. Cool. So 117 minus 41 into 3, 123 whole square, which is 36. Option C I am getting. Any doubts? Any doubts, Pasangla? Any doubts? 117 minus 3 into 41, which is minus 123. 123, sir. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Very simple. Any doubts? Check. The coefficients are proportionally equal when two vectors are. Check. When these vectors are collinear, then their coefficients are what basically? Coefficients are proportionally equal. So that concept I used. I got 19 alpha this, sir. 2 beta 1 didi. So apo 36 will be the right answer. Any doubts? Yes, sir. So next, let A, B, C be 3 points whose position vectors respectively are this. So let, if alpha, this alpha da, okay, this alpha is the smallest positive integer. Okay, so what is the question is here? Let's say this is alpha here. Let us take this is alpha. Okay, let alpha be the smallest positive integer for which A, B, C are collinear. The length of the median of triangle ABC through A is dash. Sir, I will tell you one thing. Right? So 3 points given, sir. So how am I going to do now? They are, C alpha is the smallest positive integer for which A, B, C are non-collinear. A, B, C are non-collinear. A, B, C are non-collinear means I will just go with first collinearity condition. What is that? What is A? See, A, B, C are position vectors of what? What is A, B, C? Purida. Yes or no? Very good, sir. Sir, A is what, sir? Position vector is what? 1, 4, 3. And B is what? B is what? 2 alpha and 4. What is C? So 3 minus 2, 5. Cool. This is what given to us. This is what given to us. So firstly, if we will take collinearity condition for this area. Okay. Firstly, what we do basically, collinearity condition. Yes or no? We'll take collinearity condition for this triangle. Yes or no? Collinearity condition of this triangle means what basically? See, non-collinear they have given, but firstly we'll take collinear. First we'll take collinear. For taking collinearity, area of the triangle should be 0. Area of the triangle should be 0 means what basically? What is that? How do you find out? Area should be 0. Area of the triangle should be 0. Are you getting the point or not? See what I am trying to say, alpha is the smallest positive integer for which these three are non-collinear given. First let me take collinearity condition, then find out alpha value. So from that non-collinearity we can find out. How, sir? Look. So first we will explain you only will understand. See, I am taking collinear. Firstly we will take collinear. Firstly we will take collinear. So collinearity condition. Firstly let me take collinearity. Collinearity means what? Area of the triangle should be equal to 0, sir. Area of the triangle should be equal to 0. Area of the triangle means what, sir? Determinant. Determinant of this 1, 4, 3. 2 alpha 4, 3 minus 2 5. It is equal to 0 minus our alpha value vandrum, sir. Alpha value vandrum. What is that? So on 5 alpha plus 8. 5 alpha plus 8. So minus 4 into 10 minus 12 minus 2 plus, so 3 into plus 3 into, so minus 4 minus 3 alpha is equal to 0. Yes or no? 5 alpha minus 9 alpha. 5 alpha minus 9 alpha, which is 5 alpha minus 9 alpha, which is what? Minus 4 alpha. Yes or no? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 minus what? 16 minus 12. 8 plus 8. 16 minus 12 is what? 4. So alpha is going to be what? Minus 4 alpha plus 4 is equal to 0, sir. Upon alpha value, sir. Alpha value is going to be 1, sir. Check. When I am taking collinear, when I am considering ABC or collinear, our area, sir, 0. Area is 0 basically. When area is 0, I am getting alpha value 1. Now what they have given? Alpha is the smallest positive integer for which ABC are non-collinear. When they are non-collinear, we need to take smallest positive integer. Yes or no? What I am saying, you understand, right? ABC are non-collinear. When ABC are non-collinear, sir, alpha is the least positive integer. But now when I take they are collinear, alpha value is 1. When this is possible? When they are collinear. When they are collinear, alpha value 1. Upon non-collinear least positive is 2. Alpha should be 2 here, sir. Why? Alpha should be 2, sir. Why? Boys and girls, listen to me. When I am taking collinear, alpha value is 1. What I need here? Least positive integer. Least positive integer is 1. 0 because 0 neither integer nor, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 we cannot take. 1 is the least positive integer when they are collinear. But the condition is non-collinear appo least positive integer is 2 or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So alpha value should be what? Therefore alpha should be what? Alpha should be 2. So then the length of the median of in triangle ABC is what? Length of the median we need to find out. Length of the median we need to find out. Yes or no? Length of the median we need to find out. Now tell me, length of median means what, sir? For that we need to find out this. D. What is D here? D is the midpoint of BC. So what is B here? What is B here? Tell me. So let me write this A. A vector is what basically? A vector is what? Let me write directly. 1, 4, 3. And what is this going to be? Alpha value 1, sir. Alpha value 1 means when they are collinear. Alpha value should be 2 for non-collinear. For non-collinear. For non-collinear. For non-collinear. Let me write like that. So alpha value 2. 2 means what basically? 2, 2, 4. And what is C? 3 minus 2, 5. Are you all getting the point? 3 minus 2, 5. So tell me 3 minus 2, 5 is nothing but, let me write this as it is here. Let me draw the diagram now. After finding the alpha value, let us draw the diagram. It will be easy for us. Okay, wow. Now you will be able to understand it. Tell me, A, this is B, this is C, sir. This is D, sir. Now we need to find the length of median, right? So D is the midpoint of BC. B is C midpoint is 5 by 2. Let me write directly 5 by 2. So 0 and 9 by 2. Check 5 by 2 comma 0 comma 9 by 2. Yes or no? 5 by 2 comma 0 comma 9 by 2. Any doubt? Yes, sir. Sir, length of the median. Length of the median. You understand or not? So length of the median. We need to find out what are Babu? AD length we need to find out. What is the length of AD here? 5 by 2. Length of AD. AD is what now? Tell me AD length we need to find out. AD length. Square root of A na 143. A is what basically 143. A vertex. Yes or no? So 143. AD length is what? 1 minus 5 by 2. 1 minus 5 by 2. So 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 9 by 4. AD length is what? Square root of 9 by 4. Tell me, I am just finding the distance above 4. So 16 here. Plus 3 minus 9 by 2, 6. So 9 by 4 again. So 9 by 4 is nothing but, you tell me, so 18, 64, 18 plus 64, root 82, 18 plus 64, root 82 by 2, correct or not? Root 82 by 2 I am getting. Root 82 by 2 is the answer. AD length is what, sir? Root 82 by 2. Which option? A option. Check. So denominator should be 2 obviously. So root 82 check. 4 into 16. 64. 64 plus 18. Unit digit should be 2. So 82 is the answer. So option B, C, D is not possible. Any doubts? Any doubts? Are you all getting the point what I am trying to say? Please understand this is a very simple and a very important concept. So they have given alpha is the smallest positive integer for which A, B, C are non-collinear. Firstly, I found when they are collinear, what is the alpha value? 1, sir. For non-collinear, least positive value of alpha is 2 the I know. So alpha value 2 pota A, B, C 1 sir. AD length is root 82 by 2. Simple. Any doubts? Cool. Next, coplanarity means what's basically all the vectors. I mean, two vectors are always coplanar, that is obvious. Guys, two vectors are always coplanar. No matter what you take down, see, two vectors will always lie in what? Same plane, right? So for three vectors, what happens? So for coplanarity, box ABC should be 0 down. For three vectors to be coplanar, our box ABC should be 0. Non-coplanar means what? Simply box ABC should not be equal to 0. Box ABC eppadi sir kandipidikanu? Determinant, very simple. So these are non-coplanar. Example, see, all the three vectors are lying in the same plane. A, B, C. They are in the same plane. Here A, B, C are not in the same plane. But C vandu mele eppadi poitirukku. B and C vandu, I mean A and B vandu same plane la irukku. Purida. So non-coplanar ku coplanar ku difference idudha. Okay. So box ABC 0 aichina coplanar and box ABC is not equal to 0 na non-coplanar, as simple as that. Yes or no? Sir, I'll do one thing. Now let us talk about this. Everybody read this question. Everybody read this question and then find out the answer. Quick. Sir, how do we deal with this kind of questions? How do we deal with this kind of questions? Sir, firstly, we'll understand one thing. If A vector, if B vector and a C vector are coplanar and the projection of A on the vector B is this, then the sum of possible values of alpha plus, lambda plus mu. Arey babu, see A, B, C are coplanar. They are coplanar means what babu? Box ABC 0 babu. As simple as that. Check. Box ABC 0 means taka pan lambda mu 4 minus 2 4 minus 2 and then 2 3 1 is equal to 0 panna enna varum. So lambda 4 plus 6 10 minus mu minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this? Everybody taka solana babu. Yes sir. Now tell me. So 10 lambda minus 2 mu 10 lambda minus 2 mu minus 56 is equal to 0. Tell me. 2 mu minus 56 is equal to 0. So if I take 2 common, 5 lambda minus 2 mu, I mean simply mu minus 28 equal to 0. Is this one row? Yes or no? Yes sir. So basically the projection of A on the vector B is dash. Projection of A on the B vector. So what they have given A and B. Projection of A vector and B vector is what this? Is root 54. A dot B. So this is equal to root 54, sir. Now I'll do one thing, sir. A dot B enna. What is A dot B? Tell me. Dot product of this minus 2 lambda plus 4 mu minus 8 divided by magnitude of B. What is magnitude of B? Square root of 4 plus 16 plus 4. This is equal to root 54. So 4 mu. So tell me here, root 54 is nothing but what? Tell me. Now we'll solve these two equations. That's it. 4 mu minus 2 lambda minus 8 is equal to root 54 into root 24, sir. Root 54 into root 24. Yes or no, people? Yes, sir. Now I'll do one thing. This is basically root 54 into root 24 is what? Square root of 1296. Okay. So 4 mu minus 2 lambda minus 8 is equal to square root of 1296. Basically there is 36. Check. 36 or not? You can write this as what, Babu? You can write this as what? 9 into 6. Root 9 into 6. Is it now? Root 8 into 3. Or you can write this as 6 into 4. That also works. So you can just get 36. 54 into 24. 54 into 24, 1296. Square root of 1296 is 36, sir. So for 36 poda is 2 common. 2 common means 2 mu minus lambda minus 8 is equal to 18, sir. So 4 is equal to 18. 2 mu minus lambda minus this is what the equation I got. Check. Yes or no? If I solve these two equations now, what I'm going to get, sir? If I solve these two equations, you will be getting lambda value as C. So let me write directly here. So already we have solved this question. So the equation number 1, the equation number 2. So let me write in the next slide. Solving 1 and 2, lambda value na. What is the lambda value? 78 by 9, sir. Alpha lambda value is 78 by 9. Then mu value is what's 138 by 9. You need to solve. Check. This lambda value is 78 by 9, mu value 138 by 9. Taka solve it. Simple calculation. Yes or no? So what do they want? Mu plus lambda we want. So 78 plus 138 by 9, sir. So 138 by 9. So what is the answer is going to be 78 plus 138. How much, Babu? So overall 24. Yes. Check. Eppadi, sir? So you see now 200, 216 by 9. Check. 216 by 9. 9 2's 18. 36. 9 4. Check. 24 is the answer. Any doubts? How simple it is. Babu, lambda and mu, we already solved it. So I'm just telling you lambda and mu value directly. Make sure that you are getting these two values. If I add these two values, 24 should be the right answer. Any doubts? Yes, sir. Next question bolama. Yes, sir. Sir, in the next question what they have given, in the question vector A is rotated through the right angle passing through the y-axis in its way, and the resulting vector is b, sir. Resulting vector is what? B. Now then the projection of this guy on C is dash. Good question actually. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one small logic, and after that I'll leave it to you, because lot of projection questions we have solved. So this question is also projection only. So let me explain you what is what. You can do this as a homework. You can do this as a homework, right? So you try to do this question by your own. So there is a vector that is rotated with what? Basically rotated through the right angle. Rotated through the right angle. So let me do one thing. Let us say first, for example, you have this 3D, right? X is Y is Z. Purida. What is A vector? Let me write here. This is A vector da. Okay. This is A vector. This is rotated through the right angle. Rotated through the right angle. Rotated through the right angle is nothing but this. Rotated through the right angle. Check. A rotated with 90 degrees. So we get what? B vector like this. You understand now? Tell me. So now tell me here, guys. Here A vector, Y vector, and B vector. A vector, can you all see? A vector, Y vector, B vector. All of them are in same plane. So can I say now A, B, and Y vectors are A, B, and Y are basically coplanar? Yes or no? So and coplanar and magnitude of C. Here A, B, and Y are coplanar. Right? This is 1 point, sir. And here magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B, sir. When I am rotating with 90 degrees, I am not changing the magnitude of A vector and B vector. I mean A vector. So A vector magnitude is what? B vector. Prida. Yes or no? We don't know what is B vector here. A vector given. Let us consider B vector as what? Let us take this as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, sir. You can simply take it as x comma y comma z to make the calculation easy, sir. And what they have given, sir? See, A ke B given A vector ke B vector ke nadu angle is at 0. So A vector given B vector, I know, sir, dot product of them is equal to 0, sir. If I do dot product of them is equal to 0, what am I going to get, sir? You will get one equation. Are you getting the point or not, people? So see, tell me, A dot B is equal to 0 means you will get one equation. You will get one equation. And now magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B, another equation will get. If I solve these two, no. A dot B is equal to 0, one equation you will get. Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B, another equation will come. Another equation, how do you get, sir? Another equation, how will you get? Are Babu, listen to me, what I am saying. Simply here, listen. Very, very simple. Check. See, what are the conditions we have got? A dot B. If I do this, one equation will come. A dot B is equal to 0, one equation will come. Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B, one equation will come. And they are coplanar. Check. AB and Y are coplanar basically. So from this you will get one equation, from this you will get one equation, from this you will get one equation. These three equations solve panna, you will get what? X, Y, Z values. Correct solve panna, no, you will get X, Y, Z values. X, Y, Z values if I get, sir, I will be getting B vector, sir. If I get B vector, sir, that's it. So we can find out, so this one, this one we will be getting projection very easily. Projection of this vector and this vector, we will get it. Yes or no, people? You understand? These three equations, patiently you have to solve it. Concept is same. I have taught you everything. 70% of the question I finished. Remaining 30% you all have to do it. Simple calculation. Next question, Polama. Yes, sir. Chalo. Sir, next question, sir. Look. So what is the what is this question is all about? A, B, C are three distinct real numbers. A, B, C are basically three distinct numbers set. None equal to 1. I mean, none of them are basically equal to 1. Very good. If the vectors this and this are coplanar, then coplanar means what, sir? Coplanar means what, sir? Just now I have taught that determinant should be equal to 0. So the A 1 1, the 1 B 1. Yes or no? 1 1 C. This should be equal to 0. Tell me. So A into B C minus 1. Correct or not? Da? Yes or no, people? Ha. Now we'll do one thing, guys. We can use determinant properties na to solve this easily, I can do determinant property easily because I need 1 minus a, 1 minus b, 1 minus c in the denominators. So determinant property use panna enna sa vandrum. Let me use C2 changes as C2 minus C1. இப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes or no? C3 changes as C3 minus C1. Check. C3 changes as C3 minus C1. Sir, if I do this, what am I going to get? How the determinant going to look like? C1, C2 only will be changed. A1, 1. C1 is not going to be changed. C2 enna? C2 minus C1. So 1 minus A. So B minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. C2 changes C3 changes C3 minus C1. So 1 minus A, 0, C minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Is equal to 0. Tell me. So if I just solve this, what I am going to get? A into B minus 1 into C minus 1. Any doubts? So 0, right? So into 0, 0. So minus of 1 minus A into what, sir? 1 into C minus 1, sir. 1 into C minus 1. 1 into C minus 1. Matala mein 0, sir. Next, 1 minus A into what? 1 minus A into what? 1 minus, so minus of B minus 1. So 1 minus B. Check. Let me write 1 minus A into 1 minus A into minus of B minus 1, which is 1 minus B. Check. I am writing directly, guys. In the last one, here B minus 1 will come. So I am multiplying it minus inside. Sir, enakku 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C denominator la venu, sir. Appo eppadi sir kondu varanu? How do we do that? 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C venu, right? So let me do one thing. Here minus, we will take minus common here, minus common here. Appo minus minus plus, sir. Next step enna varum, sir? So here if I take minus common da, 1 minus B vandrum. Here minus common means 1 minus C. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, here minus already irukku, sir. 1 minus da 1 minus A da irukanu. Here C minus 1 can be written as 1 minus C. Here minus I will take common, that minus into minus plus. So 1 minus A into 1 minus C. Now tell me here, this 1 minus A, 1 minus B is as it is. 1 minus A, 1 minus B is equal to the coplanar, right? So is equal to 0, so determinant equal to 0, right? So let me divide with 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C on both sides. Dividing with what? 1 minus A into 1 minus B into 1 minus C on both sides. So tell me now, we will write in the next slide. So what I got? A into 1 minus B into 1 minus C, A into 1 minus B, 1 minus C, AC, AB, right? AC, check. This is what I got, AC and AB, right? AC, AB, right? So I am dividing it 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C on both sides. 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C, 0 by something is 0 only. So now divide this, what I am going to get? This by this, this by this. So 1 minus B, 1 minus B cancel. Check. So A by 1 minus A will be left over. Plus 1 minus A, 1 minus C will be cancelled. So this will be cancelled. So 1 by 1 minus B. So tell me now, AB will be cancelled. AB will be cancelled. So 1 by 1 minus C, sir, is equal to 0. Sir, here A by 1 minus A I want, sir. But enakku 1 by 1 minus A venu. 1 by 1 minus A. Appo enna sa paranu? Let me add and subtract 1, sir. If I add and subtract 1, sir, if I add and subtract 1, what I am going to get? Tell me. 1 by 1 minus B as it is, 1 by 1 minus C as it is equal to 0. Check. You understand? I am adding 1, subtracting 1. Appo idena, sir, idi cancel panna enna? Minus 1. So 1 by 1 minus A, 1 by 1 minus A plus 1 by 1 minus B plus 1 by 1 minus C. Idena, sir, minus 1. This is minus 1 basically. This is what? Minus 1. If I shift minus 1, that side 1. So answer enna, sir? 1. Any doubts? So same type of question you might have studied in your matrices and determinants chapter as well. In determinants also you might have got this kind of question actually. So final answer is 1. Eppadi, sir, in our requirement to 1 by 1 minus A venu. Appo I am just writing this A as A minus 1 plus 1. A minus 1 by 1 minus A is minus 1, sir. That minus 1 I am shifting this side. Ultimately you will end up getting this result. Purida? Yes or no? Yes or no? Wonderful. Sir, now we will do one thing. So we'll check. See, option B for Bombay. is the right answer. Next question. Yeah. So the sum of all the values of A for which the points whose position vectors are this and this are coplanar. Sum of all the possible values of A for which the points whose position vectors are coplanar. Points whose position vectors are coplanar. What they have given, let me tell you. Whose position vectors are coplanar is nothing but basically this is A, this is B, C is the D. Yes or no? Let us take like this. A is a reference point from A. So tell me now what is position vector they have given. Position vector. So OA they have given. OA they have given. What is that? OA. What is that? OA. OA is what? OA. 1 minus 2, 3. OB is what? OB vector is what? 2 minus 3, 4. OB. And OC is what, sir? OC. What is OC? Tell me. What is OC? Tell me, guys. Alpha plus 1. Alpha plus 1 comma 0 comma 2, sir. And OC. OD and sir. OD. OD is basically 9 comma alpha minus 8. Alpha minus 8 comma 6. So these are coplanar, sir. Now coplanar means what, sir? Basically coplanar means what? I'll do this. AB, box of AB, box of AC, box of AB, AC, AD should be 0, sir. So to find what is that? They are coplanar, right? So to find the value of A. So coplanar means what, sir? Box of AB vector, AC vector, AD vector. This one is 0. Any doubt? Tell me. AB, AC, AD. AB, AC, AD box should be equal to 0. So box product means what, sir? AB. Let me do like this. AB means what? Basically OB minus OA. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Yes or no? So AC is what? Basically OC minus OA. So C minus 1. So the alpha. Okay. 0 minus or minus 2. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So AD is what? Basically D minus A. D minus A. D minus A. So 9 minus 1, 8. Alpha minus 8 plus 2. So alpha minus 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Any doubts? Cool. So this should be equal to 0, sir. This should be equal to 0, sir. இப்போ இது சால்வ் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? இது சால்வ் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 6 minus or minus plus alpha minus 6. So minus or minus plus. Okay. So 3 alpha plus 8 plus 1 into alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 16. So this is equal to 0, sir. This is equal to 0, sir. This will be cancelled. Alpha 3 alpha plus 8 alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 16 is equal to 0, sir. So alpha square minus 3 alpha, sorry 4 alpha, right? So 4 minus 2 alpha, yes. 4 alpha minus 6 alpha minus 2 alpha. So minus 8 is equal to 0. So solve பண்ண என்ன வரும்? Alpha square minus 2 alpha, alpha square minus 2 alpha. Sum of the root they are asking. Sum of the values of A. Sum of values of A கிடையாது. Sum of values of alpha basically. Sum of values of alpha here, not A. Sum of values of alpha. Sum of values of alpha. What is the sum of the roots here? What is sum here? Tell me. What is the sum, ra babu? Sum is na minus B by A. Sum is what? 2. 2 for Delhi. D for Delhi is answer. Any doubt? Tell me. Sum is what? Sum eppadi 2, sir? Minus B by A. Quadratic formula. So 2 by 1, sir. 2 is the right answer. Cool. Any doubts? Well, so next question polama. Yes, sir. Sir, if I see the next question, what we will be talking about which concept we will be talking about here? Which concept we will be talking about? I'll give the next question. Yeah. See, the next concept name is linearly dependent and independent vectors, right? Yes. So linearly dependent and independent vectors, what they say basically, I'll take one question and explain you the concept. Okay, I'll take one question and then explain you the concept. Sir, basically let me take any vector like this, a1 into v1 vector, a2 into b2 vector, a3 into v3 vector, and so on till an into vn is equal to 0. You understand? So let me I'm just teaching you the concept first. Before getting into the question, let us understand the concept. Okay guys, so we have given it like this, right? What is ai here? Basically ai here let me take ai as basically scalars. Okay, and what is vi is basically vector here. Okay, vi is what basically vector, ai is what scalar. Sir, here the concept is basically, if all the ai's are 0, sir, if all the ai's, all the scalars, if all the ai's are 0, sir, then v1 v2 v3, can you all see, v1 v2 v3 and so on till vn are going to be linearly what, sir, independent. Okay, if all the ai's are 0, then v1 v2 and so on till vn are going to be what, linearly independent vectors. What are they? Linearly independent vectors. You understand, people? Linearly independent vectors. When, sir? When all the scalars, if the the condition given to us like this, a1 into v1 plus a2 into v2 plus a3 into v3, scalar into vector plus scalar into vector plus scalar into vector, as 0 is equal to 0 in this na. Appo sir, when can you say this vector, when can you say this v1 v2 v3 are linearly independent vectors? அது சொல்றதுக்கு all the scalar, check, இது எல்லாமே, they should all be what, they all should be equal to 0, sir. If they are 0, then all the vectors given to us in the concept, they will be linearly independent. If any one of the scalar is not equal to 0, sir, then all the vectors will be what, linearly dependent. Purida what I am saying? When the all vectors are linearly independent here, if all the scalars given in the question should be 0, if they are all of them are 0, then all the vectors we have here will be linearly independent. If any one of them is non-zero, that will be linearly dependent. Okay, linearly dependent. If anyone a1 to an la edo or value non-zero aichina, ipo all the vectors kudutha vectors enna sir, linearly dependent. If all the scalars are 0 means linearly independent. Simple concept. Now we'll see the question. We'll see this question. Sir, what they have given here? So let me erase this. So yeah, let me solve this here. Simple. If you understand the language, guys, I gave this slide, I wrote the concept here, but let me solve the question here. Look, how do we do this? Check. A vector is this, B vector is this. Okay, this is the B vector, this is the B vector, A vector, B vector, okay, and C vector, right? So T belongs to R such that alpha, beta, gamma belongs to real numbers. Now here important concept, everybody should listen to me. What did they have given here? Alpha into A vector plus beta into B vector plus gamma into C vector is equal to 0 if and only if alpha, beta, all of them are 0. Check what they have given here. Alpha and alpha, beta, gamma, all of them are scalars. All the scalars are 0. Then A, B, C vectors are what? Linearly independent vectors. Purida? Linearly independent vectors. When linearly independent vectors? When can you say they are linearly independent? When can you say they are linearly independent? Whenever all the scalars are equal to 0, they will be called as linearly independent vectors, sir. Sir, since they are linearly independent vectors, can I do? See, then scalar triple product will not be equal to 0. Since A, B, C are linearly independent vectors box A, B, C should not be equal to 0. Cool? Yes or no, people tell me? Here A, B, C are linearly independent vectors. So scalar triple product will not be equal to 0, which means what, sir? Box A, B, C will not be equal to 0. That's it. So what is the box A, B, C? That is not equal to 0. Box A, B, C is what, sir? 1 plus t, 1 minus t, 1, right? So 1 minus t, 1 plus t, and then 4. What is this? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Here basically I component, j component, k component, I, j, k. So comma given. So guys, listen to me here. T minus t1, t minus t1. Let me write t minus t1, sir. Here basically there is a small. You just correct this. Okay. So I'll do one thing. 1 minus t, 1 minus t, 1 plus t, comma 2. Is it 2? That's it. Is it 2 basically? You take this as 2. Okay. You just forget about this. Right? So this is 2, sir. If this is 2, this should not be equal to 0. Yes or no? So t minus t1. So this should not be equal to 0. Any doubts? 1 plus t, 2, 1 minus t, 1 plus t, 2. Correct? Na? Check 1 plus t, 1 minus t, 1, 1 minus t, 1 plus t, 2, and then t minus t, 1. Yes or no? Everything is correct? Check. Now I'll apply determinant properties here. I'll apply determinant properties. What are the determinant properties, sir? Determinant properties. What are the determinant properties I will be applying? Tell me. What are the determinant properties? Can we write like this? C2 changes C1 plus C2. C2 changes C1 plus C2. C2 changes as C1 plus C2. Tell me guys. C2 changes as C1 plus C2. Okay. Sir, if I do this, what I am going to get? Tell me. Only C2 will be changed. C1 let me keep it the same. 1 plus t, 1 plus t, 1 minus t, t, C1 plus C2 as a t cancel. So the 2, sir. So the 2, sir. It is 0, sir. So 1, 2, 1. This is not equal to 0. Tell me, this is not equal to 0. Now if I just open this, what am I going to get? If I open this, what am I going to get? Guys, I'll do one thing. Can we take 2 common here? Can we take 2 common in the column 2? Can we take 2 common in the column 2, guys? Let me take 2 common. I can take 2 common, absolutely nothing wrong in that. 1, 2, 1. This should not be equal to 0. So this open panna enna savandru. This open panna enna savandru. So let me solve this. Let me solve this carefully. So I'll do one thing. Let me do here. 2 times of 1 plus t into 1 minus 0. So minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus t minus 2t. Okay, plus 1 into minus t. This is not equal to 0. Can you all see this? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now here you tell me, sir. If I simplify this, 2 is for whole bracket here. Check. 2 is for whole bracket. 2 is outside. So yeah. So let me write with blue color here. Let me write here. So simplify that. Otherwise I can simplify here itself. 2 into 1 plus t. So you tell me here. So minus 3t plus 1. Minus 3t plus 1. So minus 1 plus 3t minus t is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus t minus t cancel. So 6t is not equal to 0. Ultimately I got 6t is not equal to 0. So t should not be equal to 0, Thambi. T is not equal to 0 means what? Tell me. So t belongs to what? Yes, all real numbers minus 0. Check. All real numbers minus 0 or not, tell me guys. You understand, people, what I am doing here? See, here basically this was given wrongly here. Okay, don't write that. So A, B vector, and B vector is what? 1 minus t, 1 plus t, 2. C vector is what? T minus t, 1. So such that alpha beta belongs to real numbers. This is equal to 0. So I am saying these are linear, I mean A, B, C are basically A vector, B vector, C vector, linearly independent vectors. How did you show that, sir? I just told you, right, if the corresponding scalars are equal to 0, then we can say A, B, C are linearly independent. Linearly independent means what? Scalar triple product will not be equal to 0, which means box ABC is not equal to 0. Or not equal to 0 pota, I am applying determinant property all the way, I am getting T is not equal to 0. T not equal to 0 means what? T is what basically tell me here, T is any real number here. T is any real number. So T should not be 0, but any real number it could be. It could be any real number but except 0. So option C is the right answer. Any doubts? Option C is the right answer. T could be any real number except 0. Yes, sir. So option C for Chin 2 is matching. Check. C for Chin 2 is matching. Purida? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Are you aiming to accelerate your score and boost your performance? You have arrived at the ultimate destination. Vedantu presents 𝑯𝒆𝒍𝒐, Vedantu All India Score Accelerator Test Series. This meticulously crafted assessment platform designed specially for the students preparing for class 10th CBSE, state board exams, NEET and JEE. This is your opportunity to prepare with the highest level of accuracy and refine your performance. Spaces are limited and the competition is ready. Are you? Register now to secure a spot and start your journey. The link is given in the description. Go check for more details. This is what today's session is all about. Hope you all enjoyed. So we covered each and every subtopic of the vectors as far as your JEE mains concerns. Hope you all understood whatever we have solved in the class. Make sure that you are practicing more and more PYQs, and this chapter is highly weightage chapter. Okay, high weightage chapter in fact. Okay, so minimum 2 questions you will be getting from this chapter. That too very easy. You have seen, right, what kind of question they have asked in your JEE mains. So sometimes we feel like, okay, so this kind of question they are asking in JEE. Oh really? Guys, believe me, this kind of questions what they have been testing every now and then. So hope you will be practicing more and more questions. Let us meet up with another chapter very soon. Until then, tada, bye bye, good night.